Mwache mwakwa Badwam TV Badwam Media no eso de radio se na ye fiada enum no an ye de agege wa baba no de adu so ye Badwam kase sam no nia etodwa wo mu bia wo betie ni Ministry of Agric won ma bawura mu otema bia ya kraw enuane no ye de no ene sam ahodo bi na no pay bro Adom TV Badwam kase wo share live on Facebook/Adom TV Extra Go TV 119 DSTV 280 Oko YouTube search Adom TV Tube kwadomonline.com and semini bebre so ewo ho medi de afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni dem yenti said semni chemu etie make say eya so ye hwe Ministry of Agriculture won mabawura mu wotema bia yakraw enuane ahodo no na won edi wo animu ekọ no eyora Clement Apark ono na ekire say Chief Justice Chief of Staff Ora Julius Debra on asha won so won ko sabeya mampani hye no a osinuane na ewo ho yemfanko senior high school mu no on be free ase edi ho djuma kase no etwaso.
We are currently here in Tama, and our mission here is to give effect to a directive given by His Excellency President John Dramani Mahama. Ghanaians will remember that when he attended the Thanksgiving service at UPSA, he indicated that it was necessary to provide immediate intervention in terms of food to our wards in the various secondary schools across the country. As I know, we are dealing with all the secondary schools, all public secondary schools are going to be beneficiaries. And I think, give or take, we are looking at about 900 or more schools if you add the secondary schools and the TVET institutions. In terms of the quantities, we will give you a fuller breakdown because we are still working out the details in terms of the phases. We are starting with Greater Accra this evening, and of course, as the days go by, we will be reaching out to all the regions, to all the schools. And I must say that the Flagstaff House is coordinating this assignment. As you can see, the food is being moved by military trucks. There will be trucks also from the Ghana Police Service to support the movement.
National Association of Graduate Students, teachers, I try to tell say Nagrat, Nene, once on GDA power, Haruna Dusu, ye, ne abaya boni din say. Omehwe asweye hwe nwumesua so no ra Angel Kabuno our president no chirumo se bandada etwemu ebrebi enye MPP NDC bandada no ebrebi etwemu na oye employment minister no ni nyoma pa bi oye yenti omo ogidie se ahanso a yede no aba abehye no se de tie bia no obebo no homoden oni Adom kase etwaso.
And I must say that the Flagstaff House is coordinating this assignment. As you can see, the food is being moved by military trucks. There will be trucks also from the Ghana Police Service to support the movement.
Fatayem papa yebehwe na yenya ura Angel Kabuno ne nsem no a oka edefa ura Haruna Idusu ehono Adom TV Badwam kase na uguso no na kwawa from plains adehye na won mo sre empanifo se ferry no ana shubonto no onhwe na woni hu dwuma siesie se be ya wakone abadie no nso ebekoye
pampanifo sebo e man so mo 3 months omo anhwe hu bibia man ya emrepam ne ebesan tu anamon foforo ba no kware nyame anim up to date ye bisa pantofo na mwa omde man ne se engine dey complete oba eminu ya ahwe a ye chia na egu so de ekọ omse engineer kom na mu bibi de shortel na propeller eno ne no ade aka ba mpanifo so metie se ebi aba omakra bi aba se fa he no de yentime nkyere enti up to date enya de a omatimi ama egu so de achi ekọ
eno echi no driver phobia wono mu de wonjuma e wo sa be ho so de nsem wese to akosi dwamena enim
Oma shebo said ya woka no but yes still yanti ho hwe omo de prepare aba yes yanti ho hwe nti ye de achi elfu pantu na yetimi break timi free am yetimi pem pantonu pem pantonu so a omo man say omo fan yenye pantonu yi ntini adesrede na disrem panifo so omo hwe na omo nyaman ne yes still no ye say the break ni free wo pantonu so na me fa na say ye de pem ma na wasan kofa we dane asan ba be ye no eno so yadwe ho san ye nte ase ntimpanifo mram no omo hwe ma
Ayenkwa Akache North wo from Mantamu na beto dwa say ya kire nipa mienu bia yesuso se wakumo bia wode kwaye nyankomade kase no edeba
sie ganyi magawia maga komunam wongonto nyama agwomasam kemye papa mye ba sia pam kemye gbon na mye fa to go assembly emye gbema nya no sia oba nwu ya le jojomo na chinyi ta mara kama ponchu
Enwechi no Akache North MPP amonyoko no tetenani Godfred Kudalo enso ebo aposifo abaso ewo sena wonomu edi wonjuma anwohareso akwakochi nipa mienu
but the same person ikorona ba achicho jage wono miapa police station chairman a threaten ba yowuga. So after the election day 7th December the family of Agboji Ahiabova Agade Afiovadako.
Yeah.
Because of the threat.
Okay. So yenemu kase die abemu ye wetina no ewo ensiedi amuno e ade se wono e de akwakopie mu ewo St Anthony Hospital no wo George amukrabia.
So kande wo hina na wo akrafo kokoben e wasante mantam no emunipa bi ekum no ya yenhunu de panino eyeye na uchremu a na opie kakra no wawura ne fie ho na etuo kasaye Adom TV ediba
enkane ohina na owo akrafo kokoben okofrobo na boaten na betodwase nipa bonifuo bi akoto ne tuo amanei wawu ewo mojahyew mu amanebo no echemu se na nan epie kwa abonten ukuada etwamu anadwo duba akokoto aduane a onam kwa so beduru ne fie kwa no a obi nim bebie nipa bonifuo ikɔhye ya woto sa etu ade kyeye adehye hu se na ewuda emojam aposifo ensa enyanka nipa obedi sa awurukasem die nanso na ebusuafo ensusue mu kyerɛ sɛ ɛyɛ ɔtan ho rakwa ɛna obi agina so agye wɔn de hye nkwa ɛde afiri ne nsɛm ade hye wɔ kurom hɔ ɛkyerɛ sɛ wohwɛ na empofiri mu ewuo yi a ɛde amhyehye ɛne ehu ɛna abɛtɔ ade hye a ɛwɔ akrafo kɔkɔben ɛso wɔ mosra posifoɔ sɛ ɔmonyere bambo mu ɛwɔ hɔ Bushen Police Command akofa emu no akopie mu ewo emukurabia wafiri nhwemu ase epe nipa bonefo a wodi sa anyamena semende na begina emra anim amansan chia me kwadwo bi miriku amanebo asante mantemu
yankwa po ya mantemu na adehye wo akwasi ho won musu sun fisem futuro ayade eku won mo ye papa won mo srempanifo so o me bibi mfa ho ma won nti sa wapomuden ene yetoto na asesa no
twemu bia no je se upe uda no wachi ekire ka no na se ka mienu futuro nti enya accident unam lolo kwan okra na se wo kwa ni se ka twemu aje se uda no wachi ekire lolo kwan no nye se futuro be bo ewura no wo be bo otintesu a enfuturo ohemu enfuturo na se mani makoy operation mi koye baaye no me sa ko check up no wo se futuro ase ewura mani no je se me sa ko koy operation bi eti futuro ne de se omo amegu eyi so mo ya che se yebewu kura
no alokwan na bro yeso aye futuro se yen ete kwan ho ton ade o usi niama hata fie o che se bibia bebia no age se futuro na wo de beye nti se yesre afo na bo afo se omo meboa yen na omo meye no alokwan no e ma yen
nipa wo kromo na yare report ayenya from your health center one say you tramu check for the next 3 months you benya complaints of asthmatic patients and you nipa benya asthma you bebo wa enfutro kunye wa edamu babia eti yesre abanfofra aba yewura John Dramani Mahama His Excellency say na dawroma we dia enye demonstration na mum no yadesre die
administrator wono ehwe nyinahini government hospital so ra agenesiedu odi adesre na eto edwa se ayaresabia kese na ewo ho no niam ahodo bi to sini omuni akade binti emma sade enke wo so won ye wadwuma no omutumi ye ne sa wo srempanifo so wo moa won oni adom kase ene din komwe
There were challenges accommodation, your power generation plants also no for more than 10 years. You go so day in and day out. A machine here the HS and the maintenance cost and also yeah I was so tun suffer BPA say onyina nye de enkambom adwuma no de ye wa ha ye de your staff strength ni twam 200 nti before say the aye crowd aye ready ti nya external support so so ebeboa
Kwadwo ahinkan a wono eka group no ho ene Adom News nsɛnkyɛwfo twetwe nkɔmɔ no wode nsɛm sei ene tudwa
ye ni krokitwa seven kro bebre atwa na yin wohia Israel say ye kromfo no mu amana no mu US Germany UK fo ko nenya bia obeti sade obi ano woman na yem hyehyɛ no ma no popo because ofi ba bi na be pie krom a o first aid ni enya hin hospital so we enya sa be emergency first aid na me entitu a na sem fo ko kuma so wo ka akron we no we electricity ni fridge ni sa deliver best too ade an se ni oba ko wo no da from sabi workers na one day no more said in second no be abana so na ba ntimanya enka sa ba ntimanya ntino yesu kroma na yenya biti a yesu mo ko se ekono a we na ehunu yehunu se hospital ba akokora obe 30 ni bu be yesu etiminya ba 20 kra ma omo a ebeboa
Aminyina no so na Adom TV Badwam kase na ha na bema kwan na no pɛ ye de siase da no nkɔmɔ emre ne adaje a wo de famie yesre ne die mu a kɔso na ne yentena sɛ wo kɔ adwuma de a rare ho so mfa nkomra ne mum join ne live on YouTube Adom TV 2 ye kwa bada bonkrata no wo ho online de no ye de to so tweye da say ya mo kwa ba biem Adom TV Badwam dwumade no eso na wotwe mu nyina wo ne yatena Radio Adom 17th January yesa won kwa hoden bibia ye adwuma faseda ma de obo wo na Adom nti ene ye nyina ti ase da se fia den so o kan ye ho da se papa news no na ye wie ya ya ba ye de the bonkrata no ene online de no ebro bene Bismarck akosinsia ana ejina ha da chi bi hu so ye MP amane nyonwa so ye hu adwuma amo ache mo akwa be
menyo so afia sima menyo so
we ya sure so ka ma menyo so na mande o se menyo so papa adai ye mfa phone line ntum
semuni
bi wote mejo so ana menyo so kwa de wo no wo ntitwi ntikwa wa adwe mfa ho Millicent so wote mejo so ana menyo so
afia mejo so
na me ene me
afia mejo so mejo so
onye me so anu e problem
afia mejo so fa mama mejo so bi
I tell you so ban ton ko ha weba oye slow by show we di calm this is how for no sabe me ti bi hunti no mo mo ye dangerous oye di nti woni ni nya problem ko be ka say wa enso na yo no o me di o me okay but o de be wo no afefa na no abene nam krom a nti obi ehu o ne hujo nti obi e de be show ba no wa o kasa kakra no so no yo no a e bi ni weba ye study o weba enye so manya crunch ya ti majemenchi a o so fa odie peka se bia wo chiri but apart from we ya yenye se bibia ye fa
nya bia dom apart from we so ye ka wa se bi bibia de na akwa yes ye mi ase na o mi da ase na o twene kwa wie
nya mi adom
e wie no aka fa she o tim da bia se ade chi ade sen asebra na etwen o kwa na ekwa no yes kwa na ye kwaso nkan sempa fa nkyere ho
yeah crunchensem etro ho na e bi ho ayefe o he otum say combination wa abo ne brown sugar aka ho na say
wafa
na wafa ho ankasa ade na pick
yes
a pick wo a beside
ye kan sempa nkyere ho afia we ma me say o to badia after badin to no ade echi akola ne din sesa edi ade to no ene ekoso friend etini obeka kire ho no ene bebe
eno no ti kan sempa ma ho
emfanya akudi emo bie mu abam
ato
umu nkonta kire obia wa asase we so
this onyame yiro ho
bie mu abam yiro ho pemko enye kura ka chem se be yeye
ayeye mpo
fama wa kasa
positive energy ne de nam
afi
wada ye fa phone line ntum ka kere
yeti o mun ka che
yeti mo ka che madaro ma na otwe mu nyina mahwe mo ne ye na akwa 0302211701 702 703 704 0302-211-701-702-703-704. Bray, now see your headlines. And ekro. Nieme esisi so kama edemon. Afi ya shase na 17th. Ade na waye, de na wo hwe a wo se ade na wo ye na ekoso. Tuba koso ato aso. Ne ntwen won so de. Besi wada ma ye.
Avianfa Daily Graphic Dabokata and share as here. So 12 more ministers nominated. Oremame Ablajifa Gomashi, Minister designated for Tourism, Culture and Creative Arts. Infoni Abba. Enti eno mampani mahama sa pao aswafo dumienu. And so far so about 25. Emu 7 eyema.
Man wo you see pa why there.
Eyemema.
Eh there mema no be bro so but no fears.
It is 25. We still have about 35 more to go.
Yes.
To catch up the 60. Yes. Enti bebre wo mamfo mo hu. Ena si wo so de so ne nemu. Enu asame je mfe so nyane de. Acting MD PMMC. Yes. Omna de gold from emko amonone.
Sir. Yes. Wow. Hey, Charlie.
It's
abodi online so nti abodi ho. Abodi no pay mo ache mo akwaba. Abodi no online munye.
Hello.
Aha.
Mr. Pacho meje moso.
That's it.
You. Oba. Ya di yanko panse. What after that me kai.
It's a pa.
Missy ya di yanko panse say on the 70s okay. Na me Pacho say me come say me Pacho me ye correct to 2 years really well yantemo in channel channel or casting do no. On see twi kasa go ho. Ye kan bibia the all papa all customer chro no. Oru an ntia ase a odi kan odi ye. Okase ma menyo so no. Wo wa ntia ase. Akwase obi a chibu no obi aka se obi chi so ma menye ni so e. Ana je ni so e. Aha nti wa aka se onyo so. O se menyo so. Ze wasema kana mati.
Oye odi e meji achinye. Ti se me te ha na menyo so na nti me man na me se menyo. O se menyo so.
O kan se wo.
O se menyo so. Ara
ne chiwa.
O te se menyo so.
Gongo na wo TV so ana.
Yo, awodi e.
Menyo.
Matia wadaro ma me fa ne sa. E da se papa abodi nyame Israel ye ni so pa. Nyo na be ye ayi apapransa ma ye ayi last year. TV so apapransa ananya wa. Abodi e ko ma yen fo foforo me do fo no pay mo ache mo akwaba.
Ya minia afisha pa.
Afisa se na nkwane ahoden wo ho.
Media ni saka wana media hu nya me pa. Kase free asenkregwa manfi west.
Okay.
Minia. I mean more His Excellency.
Hey, Yasambe.
Hello.
Oh, Papa, you told Kapa into who?
Yeah, I'm more President Abaso. Mahama, His Excellency Mahama Abaso. Ichiad pa baby obia ni na bushia ni na mai na ni Ghana fo nyina. Taminia kaka ye kan say President Awaba no obeye adwuma nti Ghana fo mo manyi nya ye mfa ye ntai na chi. E maye kikan sem bia adwuma no mbefo no watache o yi omo no minia ye be ye adwuma no ma ye hu say minia na mu MPP ni
ya da se papa panti yenko na na eje ho oba no ayi ntiem no aka no tetia no bi so ato aso na no pay mo ache mo akwaba
meje so minia ba
ya da se wada ma yentie we
mbati mjidi se mahoye na ma ana fo nyina fisha panso
ya hoye
mjidi se discussion na mo kano na obrade chiawa wo se wanje so no ero de mjidi se waje so e ma wai ti pa on to ba Jamaica na mjidi se mumpenyi mahama ewende yino
afra nana
fa se yo mu free so
oya
o sa ka tu o mu so
ese mi jan e me
de ka me so fun ye kute o mi so
ene de kwasi wo ka che me se
me kan sa ba me che se
na me phone connect to a whole media station
me de hu
so chere mo phone na o twe wi baby admi ko ni me ma wo me se mi mood because na me day it is one said the abrabonite no nipa bi wo ho no pese o se wo dey no but me man a chance akora we ne kan se mi gina he na me ka ti na mi osmo na na mfa nse osmo
de me se o mi so o mi afon no so
ni mi aso ekura mi
o mi aso
Ti so obi am idea ene ye fa no si ha na person forso.
Use agri to reset economy. Professor Bakpeng advocate at Graphic Business Expertise Forum. And he opening to your professor. Yeah, Ochirobia. Some
Some of them watch and walk over.
Mama official pa.
Afen comment to
you. Shiramo pa, nyam shiramo. Any questions here. The program I will get on as a VG canon. Can for a sponsor one such as would the any yaman yourself a permuka. Ye papa, your mama, ye bonabaso, me pipini, and so. Kwanya ofa so wa be wura mu wa ye adwuma e sombo amagana fo na ato abama no asanteja ona bole ka fo mpebe bi fani simaye na ya ikocha ni ade o yikrum ni na no onye maye ni
da se abodi
e me jabi nyame aboa no enam adwuma dro no ye no so na bandi na gina baby obi anya na adwuma se de sefata na small skill for mondo to ya kwan yi ni adwuma ntumi nkoso e de obi bia ase
da won so asesan kwan e da se mz the course ni besi akwesi course.
Okay, we Daily Graphic for me call Ghanaian Times. E ko bia for ANYC almost can be one power telecommunication adwumanim almost mesre Telecos na Ghana se on trete won kwa ba mu na won kuram asibi won mu afia kodura network won ting
ya na de ha dwen ye nkura na on say na ICT no ba bia se ko ba se abede no ma use
network won ting
so say tire stories is apa
yeah to mo nyiro mo
na no kura no he ya kura ye wo kura nso ye o mote o ba frɛ wo phone kura yes wo
do no
se o ba ye na pem na mu aye din sa o ba tia na pen neko nti yes se mo betre mu no ye ho dada no so no
munye ye
because ya to wo ya na de tenasa wo to wo ya na asa e be package de wo be to be wie na asasa nti eni de mu amo ye adwuma no bat mo afi mu sesa ne mem se be ya emergency nipa fra no ho nko ohaw mo because sa Telecos wo mo wahala etimi de ya wa de ye kuraba because wo be frɛ oba na offense na ate be man so anya careful
they are simple brain neba
so they yesrebo
munye nwa Ghanaian Times so the Chronicles so any Mahama appoints 25 ministers 35 more to go eti so for yi adwenunum aka adwasanum e wa kira onfa emaye armed robbers terrorize Oyibi estate down resident call for police protection tiaman for eti Oyibi estate down say na armed robbers etatom no ano edin ye pam NPP won't be a rubber stamp in opposition Samia Oku enso de ka say emfa so mododo no esua no se be won koye ye emfa ma bibi aban ede bebia bi adbade bana se emwa ganafo a obesore akasa etia the Chronicle enso enonom the news center 200,000 Ghana cedis 250 packets of roofing sheet ti Dr. Mahmoud Bawumianso ado ya wakoye de abakantamanto dwedefo a wodwa kese ehye no or the sika 200,000 Ghana cedis and osade roofing sheet 250 packet edi akwase bono mobobo no omonye no mofa enkatakata so
kama hono moje kasho
oh yeah na kantaman diska o
me pompa say no I mean said ya no mo de ko we de munyu su ni ye empe na bia ye be wi achi obi simanya bi ne saade no and me sure say emu wo kuo say ya na ko di kuo no mo
executive ni bi ba ha no e bo mo kura be ka say sa kejeti na esi no over $200 million aban so ojai kantamanta mo metimi esi
okay ya semu nti mo nche na obi
enye kama we kwenye skafia ye che dia ma obi mo fa mbobo structures na enema nkwe se be ya obi a benye ba bi atimi edi ni dwa kama
Badwamonline.com nso a Ablekuma North fo
okay
ebusu e twema nso can you imagine Ablekuma North adi asema am say almost say na next week na on be declare
be say kwa mutu na kwa afina ebo
afina akona muni mra se be jani di asem kure any young close to be bian anto for France
so obi nso nim so wawe o
eno ne asem no wakwasi obi nim pass on na we so obi twema nso ma
nyina ena ma me gidi pass ni pa be ko bonsam jem
ye nyina no so oba ha no ma nsem bebre no awadonline.com audios nso ka ho videos ne pictures ho ti ya je brenet na se ne bra your website but nsem nyina na efiada erekese de body beba agudi e beto so wiki mu nyina fruits ahodo nyina ye ka ho asem ne mfaso de woni pedua no so te bia wantie juada na bepem ya wada enne na wanya kwan tie ne ye e be wrap na apodi amount sister Sunday be oye guy na wo henu na ye hye na che balance aga ade ahose pe beto so asemi ka beba nkomo ba ku mienu bi na fe mpese mu no awo ho ti koso amu afidie ne na hanyi free hakura se bia wo free fie dia fine when wo YouTube Adom TV tube and our Facebook/Adom TV extra aseda yo dia kwasinsie ni afia mankwa atamaklo yadase.
Right, fantastic morning. I was here some watching more crowd. I'm so said, "Yeah, good evening, some at 12." So said, "Bedroom, I will cancel." 7 o'clock. So there's a fata salty and the abuabu no pay day, bro. Franco Trading Enterprise as usual. One of the Asia conquired in some neighbor Franco Trading Enterprise. Phone Papa Fini ho. He say, I had a phone Papa Fini ho, phone Papa Fini ho. Franco Teten and Kwabamu Kaka. Ade nneema ni bi aba beka ho nye phone pe na abenya Franco Samsung phones no ne iPhones no wan na edan chen a ubenya blender ne microwave washing machine air conditioners TV ne amodi na so na papa ma hwe yen condition no de eso nneema abadwaman so sa emra mebo we wi asama 40% discount that's Franco Trading Enterprise phone papa fie pa ene yakwe ni ma me do number ba to dwade ama Bernard Parebo hwe me producer Kejuana Kasaniere Kasiedu Bwedi. Yansha Sera, Yama fi the English Premiership. Now, talking point and Rana Dread, Yabe Randemo, Amad Diallo, the last 12 minutes, and a 12 minutes magic. And I'm United here. Southampton, no castle when you win, you do, baby. No castle when you draw, and Amad Diallo, your magic in Rama United. If I take back, he be winning 3-1 over Southampton, or Manchester feed. And can defeat Empire. Now, a very bad record, the United power in so many years. So, better if you lose back to back games, or if you never had dream power, it's not someone or not. Yago PMO, Old Trafford, now you share how game is quiet. Ipswich Town also game, no, so Brighton, Bonnet, you know. Want to me, auntie. And so Manchester United, that massive win, game on the Premier Sorimo, and of course, Southampton, minimum the year or more. Welcome, Ipswich Town. If you Brighton before they come, you know, I want to me and now, me and highlighting with a few fixtures in the EPL and the La Liga this week, and Yanko PMO and rather Copa del Rey and Real Madrid, welcome, taking the lead 2 goals, and the man, Kylian Mbappe on fire, but beautiful goal, Vinicius Junior the Bako Canho. Homa Saturday Vigo betikano. Then of course Real Madrid push I don't know. Yeah, they call extra time Saturday Vigo they push call extra time and then next say Kwalana sorry and the likes of Endrick mo Ejman Valverde should be back kan Madrid winning 5-2 over Celta de Vigo. And of course and Okopimo Bilbao omote wasa na was soon and you wiwi Yenkopimo Spain. Right 5-2 and Real Madrid winning after extra time into Federico Valverde Esheba kan ho and I finish no Hendrix and ba kan ho man acquire 5 goals to Atletico Bilbao Athletic Bilbao winning Fiat to osa kaso we winning you as soon as be born come yensa e man team mu no yen hwese na weekend officials de besiako in the EPL La Liga Italian Serie A Bundesliga French Ligue 1 yes just for the EPL and Manchester are very interesting on your screen. Cecia EPL, you have some officials no city away screen so and Newcastle United and Bournemouth early kickoff or China Brentford in Liverpool and about 3 p.m. Leicester City in Fulham and so but West Ham and Crystal Palace Arsenal and Aston Villa to say yes or China matches them over there Aston Villa last season one more my deeper you have we ABC akọ Okopiem kwasi da Everton, Tottenham Hotspur, Manchester United, Brighton Hove Albion, Nottingham Forest, Southampton, Ipswich Town, Manchester City. Ipswich only stubborn in the city. But me, I do this particular game. Moyenko Spanish La Liga, nearest in Spanish La Liga, also city and it will be Girona and Sevilla and official Leganes, Atletico de Madrid. Real Betis, Liverpool, Alaves, and Atletico former one another. Yeah, bad. Getafe Barcelona at 8 p.m. Saturday. Sunday, Saturday Vigo 1 p.m. Athletic Club Bilbao. Real Madrid Las Palmas 3:15 Quasieda. Osasuna Rayo Vallecano. Valencia Real Sociedad. We shall say Champions League ba. nti wokɔ efficacy ba no why careful yenko Italy. And in Italy Juventus and AC Milan, a big game this weekend, a biggest game on Saturday. Bologna and Monza, na finishing Atalanta and Napoli, so a big game. Teomina sort for number 1 to number 5 for na Omode Yom Fiorentina and Torino, Cagliari, Lecce, Parma, and Venezia. Na Hellas Verona and Lazio, the Abuani, Inter Milan, Empoli, and the Ebe Bossoa, and Yasam Ketuakra, Tenone, Senia, and some so AC Etie, Ewo, a Honomo, Copium Wallik, and one matches or Sansona. Bundesliga so match war Honomo Shannon so Franco Trading Enterprise but this year concern in some no idea bro yemra fi me here koso fi be sha say e fi the Ghana Football Association, of course the Black Stars the koso Black Stars, the communications director of the Ghana Football Association, are confirming at the Amayan 724 yen to some may changes in the technical department of the senior national soccer team, the Black Stars of Ghana.
But specifically mean to me infant to just say Kofi na eko ana Joa na eko ana Kwame na eko nti mekai say president ema enipa miensa bi that task to come back to the ESCO with certain recommendations.
Okay.
And since that meeting, almost a meeting baby.
Okay.
Yes, I can confirm say they took a decision to make certain changes to the technical team. But in terms of personnel, they mean to me. But the games are in the second week of March. In Temrinio, and it's all the new faces bar. I was all bantem. Now umbe settled down, and Sakra and Sana, the next phase of the qualifying.
Right, communications director, Ghana Football Association, confirmed itself, of course, the leadership of the association, some changes about the technical department of the Black Stars. Now, young Women's Africa Cup of Nations, Basel, July 5 to July 26, 2025 in Morocco. Na ampaye Ghana jinemu dendendeng anyasam ketwakra. Yebekwa na say coach Ediyen Ejaho. There's a new coach for the Black Queens. They can boom. And also, communication director Edna Norton.
2 days ago, and they did two just say Black Queens and your new coach.
Yeah.
I think it is refreshing. Kim is coming in on a 2-year contract.
Okay.
Kim, Obia, and my football no Odimu akotini ye pa. Yelusu Nora no. There were a lot of halabaloo hangover on the FA. But eventually, we went through the same process I did Nora by, and they came about. Nora they offer Switzerland. Yes. But process recommendation and all of that scrutiny near the Anna they came about. Kim is a champion. I know say onye Juma Africa da.
Okay.
And this will be his first stint in Africa. Nyame Adumo next month Queen's Bebo friendly matches. Now they are starting to prepare for a Mano Afcon Ebebaso Morocco. We believe that he has the competence and the capacity to lead the team. Intimacy say seni ayede yesun sumweni ahode eta Nora echi ebra oba ebe start Volta project papa yusuba yemfa the same ahode no ne sunsum no enter na chi seni ebe ya the way I say your Black Queens no edrum pempen so we will be
right, and the communication director of the Ghana Football Association, or the Etuja. Now it is official. Seth Osei and Accra Suffolk Awiwi. Seth Osei Accra Suffolk Awiwi. After Sophia Golden or Kokotokon or Koha, the nickname party schoolboy. Any of them Efreno and Seth Osei. Good signing and as to fire the to me be some sabekano and part and they one more and no area some ketwakra nana or TS Galaxy in South Africa na so and shadam for Papa Biasa and said our baby mo Ghana or rest on the house of folk be near the kind of start on match day 17 of the Ghanaian Premier League cost this weekend. You must send a fixtures noise yet and over on your screens to see the Ghanaian Premier League match 17 yenhwe specials no asane korokone vision bo kwasieda Manchester na ekoshe kwasieda Samatex ne Hearts of Oak say Swatemane Karela Baseke Holy Stars ne Adriana Stars Accra Lions ne Gold Stars Brekum Chelsea ɛne Mediema, Heart of Lions, the Nations, Young Apostles, ɛne Bichem United, Legon Cities, ɛne Dreams FC. We Fishers ɛba this weekend edition of South Miami. The special emphasis on the game no we say yes on some matter say kobo samra boy na no be den pa nti yen hye eno so and so Franco Trading Enterprise na de sia konkon a den sam no de ba na hwese ebekọ Songo Steak na ene countryman Songo atwen komo but mfidie na ntimi amfia ntumti ye be na ye pia Songo ahye next week ne ene Songo awie wo Songo Steak ho no matter the open microwave blender, washing machine, chest freezers, refrigerators, CCTV cameras. Ningina ay Franco Trading Enterprise TV. Fia akukudi 100 inches o. Nti obenya bi o Franco Trading Enterprise. Smart TV so the channel so mame na 40% discount so gina mo den frɛ 0246 422338 0246 422338 0555 939311 and 0302 225651 on the Franco Trading Enterprise in come mo CCTV no sound no e clear this TV wo ha e koyi ade the video ni ba on TV we no matter how far the one tick say the cost nipa na ka sei ti on Francophone in South so na mo CCTV cameras ni bi na bibia ntimi enkoyi Bernard Padi bo twa me producer yana wakai ede nankasa ka kejwa ne ho Erica Siedu body ni ba twa na efie de apomudi won sembe taado ye wi a Sister Sunday be a guy warm up e wa kire ho
Emwakaba meda say Badwam TV Badwam so health tips e ho nkomo na watchi esua de misro we mu say yes I see akire esa ko TB e fa doctor number no na bibi kire wadwe ne conditions bi afre no o de aduane e be sawo yare Dr. Benjamin Niakon media sedema endpoint homeopathic clinic na da Roma and adwumadi enso yetime de bro juada de kosi fiada simenum bia na ewie na onya ho na akọ ba bia okro ti kone ne endpoint enso nya dwuma e wa pomuden kwan so frɛ no 0244867068 0244867068 dog na so me wache mu akwaba Joseph ya se na wochi wo mre no wadaje a wodi amaye etwa eda etwa tuoni ese ye kasa fa kube ho no ye hwe kube so mfa so
yo efia me das kube ya na o peso ka ho asem a ya ehia be se 1 month na da ka kube ho asem yes kube ye survivor sa o peso so survivor we kube no kube nsuo eye closest to blood it is moja pepe kube nsuo nti moja nso ene kita yen nti se o penyina cha o moja betre se nti o penya hoden etuma ye bibia ese o ye nipa o moja nti kube ni nsuo no eni mo very close to blood ebio ninu asa horo a ewo wiase nyina ni pedua hia no kube obi ninu bia bebodin bia kube obi Nfa obetima we kube nko survive ntam kan say survivor no eye ade ahodin wo mu yi papa kube boa bones no nompe so we kuba ema onompe no nya ahodin nti nipa bebre mo bones problem no mu cha say kube
na kube de emra na de
ebia de wo pe ugbo pe de emra ugbo pe de edin
na ba ko na ye de tofe na den pa
so
kube dwane no eno so ye
dwane ye you say enyina ya na mineral science concentrated abam more extend enyina nti kube no kube ye ma otisu kwesi una ase te se pe se na na ye ka minerals ahoro ni nyina a ohia ema bones ema heart ema muscles ema nipedua kwa nyina no obenya fikube mu nti yade a se bomoden
se yewe kube ya num ni so ne brebe
ni so ni de obetima num no anytime but na dua no se mfanse se anyini adwan de a ene wudidi a na wawe aka ho na aka wadua no se fat nso kube mu bebre sade kube mu bebre ba sade no se wom no ewom se saturated but the saturation no de nipadua no use no kama nti kube na dua ne ene na nwa kra good kube na nwa good eboa bebre nti saa na kube suban ti
na kube so yɛnwe na every day.
Oh, yes, you can do it. Ubetumi sanya ye ka say niema boa no. Se ni pedua no da ohia, da bia ohia nti da bia betuma no kube nsuo. Da bia betuma we kube ni bi ebetumi aboa kama pa fi say na make ni pedua no cells no ebi wu na foforo ba bi wu na foforo ba nti da bia ohia minerals, ohia vitamins, ohia carbohydrates, ohia niema building ni pedua no. Nti ubetumi edi bi da bia.
Okay. Mfa si ha ebrebe mu biem ye besa ba won chen ti wadaro ma ye wie ne sa ne de no ma ye wo number no na nkoma ye di na wotwi ene apomuden komo wo aduane semu no ya hwefo so atimi anya wo no ma fro
055 333 9915 055 333 9915.
That's say papa Dr. Benjamin Niakon, Prince Emmanuel, Hano Dinijuma, Mr. My Wadriane, and your word drew. A bebo pa, made an endpoint I say. Friend was 0244867068. I will be a Hawaii friend of Bedoso. Made a team Nasa Wow J. Brescia and she had a say. I will treat Bessimus here one qua near one dinner. A bit way in Comoso.
Yeah, Mama Chimama Kwaba, Badwam Media, Jumedie, so world of entertainment. Nia Echabu. The Kata will know thing, you're the summer. There's not a dream. As I say, usually, thank God it's Friday. Abana Sana Friday, Pete Baba. Nijin, say ya. When I'm the bray, when I'm the Kwame Jim, because we're doing see was a Jumani pair boy, Abre. Good na my table. Once watch a word with tar credit. Mune ne mu am so debi o sabaya no kwagina home yam jima wo dem wife adamwa but in the Sandra or him adwuma nyame Adom Entertainment am ye Ghana for tremu a me am ne guy no
where the guy or your guy sister Sandy be a guy
Ghana's entertainment presents
we a guy
me no mo bo me samrani said the guys me an almost abo me samrani so Ghana's entertainment perform chema the whole Ghana. Became a woman in a children. Now, yeah, King. Mamma fair foot away in Chamu real quick. And Sunny Akon, Sam so. And them, Kalana Maban and Melbourne no Masher who said Muadi. Bebrena e Muadi. We cry on way a foot to a tree, mamma. Ocean Kalea, we tenor. Emu 8 dear. Yagazu, omu muadie. Once I say, her one one, gone too soon, not also. Teteno, ultimate celebration of life, call to glory. On her age 105, it became 106. Just like okay, 23, 20, 19, 25, just 30 cry and Bisa, what a shock. Now, no cry, what a shock. Now, I say, and I'm saying, when I picture is there, and what a shock. What a shock, and I'm. And Kalana won't be a baby. You're too much for a muntie. Because I never pee more dear. Because ring light I have for your teteso. China phones are those your teteso. Or your uncle set camera lights or man who action, not a social. The dim penny for them. Mudidi a penny for. Presidency, mudio matem, mutimi di John Mahama atem, sebi, mutimi di era, na Nekufu Addo atem, sebi, mutimi di ahemfo atem. Nkwala mu mu ade mu nso bibi so. Because wono tete no compound house usro krampo se o wofa obedi natem. Na say na mutimi twa mu fie, etimi sete camera, eba social, ebedi nkrofo papa atem. Na mbizanza na opanyi picture mo fie wo ho. Kwala no mu hwe bibi. Munshe bibi papa because moha atra mani nton anya na de nkwala ye nye penifo won so ma mo ho so na nkwala na mo ntia wo e wose ye pello bi krampo a wudi panya atam social media kwa ye pello a e betimi discipline because mu je mo ho bi wo kwa do mo ho toto fe obi wo krampo a wonim deodorant use nkwala wo misa anka atwade egbompo no de afana motio no asete camera no bedi mpanifu atem akola na ya oda wotre na oka dwun sogu no asete camera no bedi mpanifu atem Me am person me share the street me share that pay me chema hwemo serious one e dey no obia so hwe omu di obia anye se obeka ho asem na nkwala nti social ahemfo na wunro ohene ene na don ma ahene mu to bi mane no na mu twam hwi mu ade na mu de adu asante hene so mu ade na maspaki esa mi num ja opem so nana on kwaso do ma ahene so on kwaso my hand to us. Ya sorry ye na say yera John Dramani Mahama eguso ministerial appointment no. Na ye person ya select a minister si ko ni ade na drew creative art drew ye so osmo fansemo Asia mama e family. Yeah, some ya so na Jifa Gomashi appointed as Minister of Tourism, Culture and Creative Arts. Enyofe, boom. Say when I saw me producers, back we or say, honorable Katrina Feku. And about mama no, or buy obey nyema, at least Obo Katrina Feku didn't make us year of return, beyond the return. Now, Obama, my dear, and I'm see Jai na go now so cooking can be now more pay you mamma the chenny pack on. And the internet will win years so back with you. These babies, I'm saying, Oboni dear Nabia. Huh? Whom I did been making. Oh, share Mahama, by a deputy minister. Huh? A human over experience. I think that from 2013 to 2017, crown. Mommy, war experience now. Or no Kwasa war. Is it or degree in theater art? What I say? I was actually a senior actress. So won't kaya. On the Gen Z, no. I am a mususa. One some party suentino. The only man at TikTok now what of a jean. When you're so busy, I do see I don't add better, mammy. We have vitamin A, together with your senior actress. And we hope that or what experience in that field, or bar creatives, no, or be any budget. And I must say, one more saying, and I boy again, and I won't call again. This for Obia, CPP, NPP, new force. That is what it is. Obia any budget. Onwina appointed. Big congratulations to you, mommy. Won't I say him, Baba? Me tell you more, yes. Now I mean, sham so this is our, you know what I'm saying? We are creative. This is for us. Yeah, quite young kwana Akon. Ewon krama and call for all the say Akon okoni krums and a guy hona. We see some estates via is wild. Bronsan. Just say we see. So sky buildings we see bebre when you chroma. Or per se or chain attraction eba. Yeah, so kwa Ghana kra Michael oh, what you saying? Michael Blankson. Eso sweet me be see school. Just a ludicrous crab Ghana I'm just uncle barbering shops and correct the pictures. A wobble down. It is a Akon Eden Craway air money Africans are good. Kanka Ghana for na makodia chopper so back. Beye jumaya na we yam show say oh dear na me beye wo beye den sesen tie Akon bra ntino skafo kasa na wafa bi na Akon na cast him was mo ada anya woda na bonsem na yem pay investors bi no momra Africa. This is the only way out. I remember. Behold the Voltage Palace. Ladies and gentlemen, the time has come for me to introduce you to the biggest, the polish, and the one and only Voltage Palace. If I am for cancer, send for here can class and be na do here can class and be social. Be na we hear what share come and what ye any bre. Nena sono, Yama be brave, so can it see and not can see who was social. Abanti Abonyum for how many years? Kobisa, Tigo Fest, Neju Media Adom TV, somewhere 2011, 2012. Tigo Fest, no size here. Abanti had the two show PK. Papa see a come na could shown me dance for. It need to show so as at that time no assistant dini from bandana to Shatawale. Na off stage no abonyu me for dance okay na the whole Ghana. as at that time na nkrofo a eboje abrante no so no na enye ene eti nipa de oya ade osaye obi twia ne dius obi twia ne dius obi twia ne dius moni nyema no wo kene bedru so na mo de abrante na twia ne dius abedru ha no comment section person mo kire say edan na eden but you know nipa no comment kra bia na wo han dan nipa no comment ibi kra na wo dakiosum te wo senka wo comment I tap in your blessing na ka hye wo nkran na wo kene bi no wo so de aba na ye bonsem ma wo enu so abonsem ma wo yonkote shatawale na atene dan ano a comment section because oh your old house is even nicer and fa the old house is nicer, the new house is nicer. It is his house. Is it your house? Your house, it is your house? No, let's not do that. This is our own. David on a be a fianoa. Come on, I say I tap into your blessing. And so in Nigeria coin. Passport crowd grab Nigeria coin. But we young Ghana ni artists. At Sene Diano. All you could have done is write congratulations. And that's it. But as usual, when Crawford Ghana for monam comment na say sem hunu ni ahoya sa. Enye hwe. Ya ye ni agiama no. Anyway, I'll show me sure so any agiama no. Ya nkwana ko the voltage. Police. Shaka wale. What's going on, bro? It's nice, bro. But one is a home. Na brochure for ya bitwa na yete ha. Na ye chale. Nkophobia e wose ye hwahwo mo pa o ma brewe industry nim pa. E bia na uswa we industry nim. Omo growth pa. You cannot take Shatawale out. Let's be honest with ourselves. You can't take him out. Because no. Shasana sa minimum. Eh, na mse ko bisa pike ne ko bi shon tigo face. Guy na bre. Tiene se wo didi ne bre ho a. O mani nidi. Ani nidi kwa mo shada mo ano. Nti ono aya na Shatawale order makoma so because guy na bre. That is a sani me bre. Na me bre na nyame ahye ne ho ani mo nyana me akọ. Was morning the meeting I remember it was. A foot to the bar no TV. And found one baby a fever. The foot to the bar. And what especially experience is the best teacher. Now no you about me here. Sembe gu who ya na so she had to appetite will be can be ya. Oh Henry Fitz yeah. And I'm person make because all your bass me. But on one wako pie mo dwumadi bi ase a bo tumofo ne enti e okopie Henry Face mpamu a asem ne ko ba asa e na odi aye futu a o tumofo na mo nam comment section was say we listen we don't take we listen we don't but am kwala yen ko tie ne ma na de aye kopie mpanim wo twem.
I was depressed actually. I know many of you didn't see me cry. When Auntie Bobia said I was going to say something, I wanted to tell you, because I know there are so many young people here, that you need to be extremely careful of the choices you make today. I was going to tell you this last year, and I didn't say it. But then I'll be doing you a lot of disservice if I don't say it this year. So let me repeat it. That there are so many young ones here. You are mostly in the university. So please, be extremely careful and picky of the decisions you make while you're young. I'm not old, I'm still young, but I'm older than many of you here. And I am repeating again that be extremely careful about the decisions you make, because 6, 7, 5, 3, 2 years later, they'll come back and bite you really hard in the face. And that's exactly what happened to me last year. And I didn't finish my Thanksgiving sermon, but this woman, you know, in my period of, I was depressed actually. I know many of you didn't see me cry, which will never happen, but she did. And I was in my house, you know, that day, and then she came and she said, let's go and buy ice cream. And I wasn't talking to anyone, but she came to pick me up, took me to Osu. And I was trying to wear a cap, I remember. And she said, why? Why do you want to hide your face? Let's go. You know, she bought me ice cream, a big cup of ice cream, and said, you today eat all the ice cream you can. And we took another long drive. We almost went to Ebri, but we never made it to Ebri. But she said she was going to take me.
You know, Ubefebina Yada Yuas, we didn't adore your order because say, and I'm not being come say 2,500 you'll be busy me pay. And then maybe Mujini day. Wow, what's more bon semanona? You man enough from 2,000. And after what also you depressed. I know you make her distress. So depression get you be an adult. Be above depression. Say Anna. What's so Adia Mammy. Happy birthday, Nkoma, my lovely son. My first boy, Alan Quating. Oh, Nyamin Shaw, baby boy. Happy birthday. You know, Mommy loves you so much. Go school up at Patasi Estate, one of no South on Trust with J31. Alan, much love, baby. Ubaya neze ni. Dia Joe for my near Chatticket Avekuma say. I know like I mean sure peace and the Uberepa. Happy birthday, Alan. From all of us, Kasawa, Martina, George, myself, everybody loves you. Happy birthday, baby boy. My main fancy. I mean fancy because upcoming a booking interview. I'm well, Kale, somebody more than I'm making. Coming. I know they will just up a yes. Melpon na Weber. Mark Weber. I am a director. Santi Ashima Godeshi, Jeffrey Pona na Mark Weber. I am a director. OPD, Kaswa Beyonce, I'm a producer. Ken Osmosis, a sound engineer. AB, camera, AB, and I feel Bamili. Omonso Halizi will makeup department. Uchi menim. Eddie Mam. Yabusia, I'm the guy's queen. Same time, Monday, same channel. I'll be back.
Mwakwa baby Adom TV Badwam Media no eso yeda sister Sunday be or your guy yeda na say papa perade ahwe so na wotwi mu e de aba bedru sadre faseda no e ma no yeda say stations no de bia mekendo so enso de wo bre bia na Adom TV ene da seda ye odia yeda say da say papa na de yedru so no so hu hia ene ye fia de so clear system ni mu nyina fire we bia nko weekend ni mu se be abenya time a relax onya time so amabusia no give us a center e wo ha ye no wo ba bedi enkomo ahwe enu ahodo ye a wo mo wo adwama so ne ne ye e wo ye nipadua mu se be ya de obeka no bi e na wo mu a ntem ehu aduru ne no obeto na tumi amu ahoden odi fo wo ha ayede ne kasa be me na ye mu official pay aso o temu kakra nti no after say na nkwane ahoden wo ho
amen
o gira wona so na adwuma wo ye ne den
na so sika na ba bedwa bebre
amen na Dr. Kwabi so ye ne nioma ne biom tinyamisha mu ye da say pa ye give us
all right
enu ahodo
ma menda say e wosua na no pe ma munyina ache e ma munyina akwaba eriba eye Adom TV so ene anope give us a center ene nenso ye san ene mo ababedi Asia Osha open no so ene me de adronomy no na ba ye give us herbal mixture and afi give us GC mixture no eno na me de nam na afi me ba cho ye bema wo ye abrante wo ye wo ba say yare de otwe ho adi firi ho kora na ne edi kan ni oba bia o wa asase so anaso oba bia o ye nyame abode de wo ye de to ho no mo se bosumi bia enefuan so awu mo no ese moje fin bia wo nipedua no mu a emmo nipedua no emma nipedua no ntumi nya hoɔden anyina ne nanso no ese sa moja ne den eno ene ye besenko ne apotokase me kan say ye menstruational period anase wubu nsa anase obiga say okonfichire no na ananse ama eho hawa baba doso ye pa ente ho hawa baba doso na give us herbal center enam Dr. Solomon Kwabiso ezansa wakan say why bone me abano ne hahan ne ye de ye ni emfansa yare emfa ma ye ho obon se sani akwakoye no insebuo no na san fichikrom no oha no dodo na ewo mu obi de wo ho no mu a ye won ye kan se eye menstrual disorders no ne de no emma ne wano ye wo menstrual cramps enso wo ho no mu ene ye wo menstrual pains enti ba twa wa wo hwe me gibre na adaje na me chechire mu ye emfa nche na te ase na sani ade ne ye wo no kopedro obi wo ha wo de echi atoto nura ho dodo na nso no bepem ne etia na eden etie na enefo anso na obo ade ye ade no na eye abode nyansa pemu so e kire se ema mojefi a no ebesen no bisa ho se ne edikan menstrual disorders no sa enefo anso na wo de ne mma aba dako na mienu bisa se enefo num na aka ne moja hodo na aka no ehefa ne yekogu obo nse no na akogu eye wa wode no ho ane wuyem na afede wa wode na no akwakosi ho no mo kwan ne edo ha na yeden ede breni pedua no etumi di won mo na empo oba wa wo ho ko ede akwakoye den etumi ede ede amawo enti obi biara wo menstrual disorders anase wo bu nsa na enefo anso no enso emma no wano no epacho enso ano ne ye ba akopɛ give us about sentence so ye ne kita sanso ano no enu nie give us about mixture enam hahama ani dubina ani dinsia Dr. Solomon Kwabi ede aye eduro no ntino ekwoboa ma moja hodo na aka na eno ntumi ama mesen na akwakogo aye awode no ho ani yefunu no no ekonane ni nyina na moja ne eden etumi ababesen ede akọ ede amawo beba cho edura me ni wudi hu nkomoyi okọ herbal shop pharmaceutical shop licensed chemical shop baby eton eduro man Ghana any wiase afa na baby bia na obenya givers herbal mixture na etumi aboa se uyi menstrual disorders ne fi wana so obi dia emma no wano a obi di ohodma yawdie menstrual pains obon se basia na yase tumi wina obi di tumi ba na afide janity paye ni titumi dwane se gaga afide obi kasa ne ho a na ne buafu na obi ahu ye ne hi obi kura tumi di ma afide adwuma kura de omba sa na otwe na wayama se adwuma owo mu mantem ne bro no ote ebre no so pe se jama ya mansa na ade ya babio epacho sa mfichikomu ya udie ni nyina no enso ano ne ye ba akopɛ eno na ye givers herbal mixture a okonye bi na uto na onomu a ebe de ebetumi aboa eno akire obi de ho a eye menstrual cramps oba de se wo bunsa se wo moja no se ba no ano obi de ho no bunsa na se ebubu tutomu obi nso de ho na moja ne aye tu da bi me ba cho enye ni papa mu a eye yare enti ubenya givers herbal mixture no eno na ebe boa enti wo a wo de no eba na wo se moja no sebi o mpanifo ni man no pay ubon se na ebubu apo na didedemu no obi nso de ho na eni aye tu pa no unya givers herbal mixture na me pa cho no na ebe boa edura me ni wodi hu nkomoyi okọ herbal shop pharmaceutical shop licensed chemical shop eni bebi eton edura man Ghana mu bia na me pa cho obetumi enye bi ye ahomatrofo edidi dwuma ma no so ameka se bia wonti bibia se obebe so we frena ni ye age nkyeremu a numbers no egu television ene na mom no 0543 222470 0543 222470 na me pa cho kope givers eba mixture ni bi nanonom ba ko eno so ho sese ya no enemu yarewa na afa infections no ebi o aye ntade hyemu sene aye kora no anase empaso agudie ene ye kokofa ba na ya na edo so ntino ya na givers eba center ye mpase ye bebo bidin ni ejebi enti ube nso oba hu sansunsanso ahudue ewo nipedua no mu ene sebi eye wahemfi ho no ma na mpacho wetu ho anamo no akọ pedro ube nso oba bi ho no ma na ensoanso bi aba bagu na hemfi na no ho no mo na ye prekisi no tumi dua na se ye ne hene na wo dwi saa enu akire ohonma na to se ensuo bi gugugugu no asa enhyeda anya ensuo ye normal bi sa na baba me pa cho wo yo oba na wo sansan kire ni nyina na e kire se ennem yarewa e na abaji nipedua na ede e de aboso me pa cho wo aduro ni e givers GC mixture e na afi ni capsules enti wo koto a uto ni mienu e de bomu e ye topaye e na afi ni nsuo onum so na watumi ano ni mienu na atumi aboa enti oba bia wo enemu yarewa anase infections bi etiti ni pedua no me pa cho waduro eye givers GC mixture na afi ni capsules a ukọ herbal shop pharmaceutical shop licensed chemical shop eni bebi eton waduro bia na me pa cho obetumi enye bi wo hono mo ede ato enu akire wo ye be ma nso a obonza sanso akro na oba no ne kan se genitals na no aba bagu ano no be ma nso ebitumi gugu saa obonzo otumi dua na afede ayetu na ohonma ase sebi ni be ma no mi ano na ase ensuo bi efimu eba colorless bi efimu eba pacho we dra bema uhia eno na ye givers GC mixture ena afi ne capsules na wetumi akọ pebi na wato na wanonom eno na betumi aboa o enti obema ene wo ba enem yare we bi etetew anasa infections bia abeji ni pedua no ede aboso no unya givers GC mixture ena afi ne capsules eka ho a eno na be den ebetumi aboa o na bibia tumi akonkan dia wonti ase na eburu wadwene wonti ase so obetumi afre givers herbal center e was 0543 222470 0543 222470 na eda yetumi ede aboa na nia wonti ase bia no etumi aboa ma nipedua no ahoɔden no etumi ewie pɛyɛ na ebra wutu infections ene enem yare wase no na esansiese nipedua no obi ho ma onante kakra ha ne ha na nakoma ebo periperi sa obi ho ma eyi friends staircase ontumi mfo ene ofo kakra ene na obo kasa oteso no wo home me pa cho unya givers GC mixture ene ne capsules na ebeboa emafin bia esisi surveillance no mu kwan ene akoma no ho nyina na eden etumi aboa ama nipedua no etumi enya brane enti bomode na akɔpɛ ye nupe ibi nato nanom na no ne betumi aboa na bibia etumi akonkan ne krakra mu ne ya wonte ase bia no ofrɛ ya no pa ewia na nwumre ɛna ne enti e pɛ so mo frɛ no eduro no okɔtɔ a ɛsɛ ye kyerɛ oniam bia ɔyɛ yɛmfa sɛ ɛyɛ infections na omo sɛ bema boxer obi ha trouser ba ko otumi sha ni ntade hyemu me patro ofra ne ya kyerɛ kyerɛ wonu mu aduro no ne ye ma ɔsa akwankyerɛ no so na yare na aden ase etumi etu ade amount enti 0543 222470 na only givers herbal center for edi nkomo enanope
yada se odi for givers herbal center na ote won kan no nti ya no so de bi omo omo kan oto aduro no a sa hwe number no kora da ho frɛ na on kyerɛ se de obisi anom no na betimi ama aduro na ye effective se sa ofa no normal ya to ye nom sa bia ahwa na ontumi anya de wo se ye na obewi obebo sobo nso de bi omo kan otope sa frɛ na on kyerɛ omo omre adaje ebeyi ano de amount ma me fancy ha sister Sandy besa babiem sa de betwam ba ko se na ne de ma na fiada bibia tumi sisa bibia tumi si sister Sandy besa ba na fe kwasi aye kradon so na asemidi kan ode ato aso owie pe obesa ginam na wone mpanifo adi nkomo a pensem dia beba no na ya to aso ko so mo afide ne na Adom TV fi se wazo yi midin dia fia amankwa tamaklo.
I'm back again. We're exclusive mu edunti no. Now was me say baso because straight up
Sister Sandy be a guy.
And guys, kwema ka chose Ghana's entertainment prophet. Sefata say talent or why ho no ni eji ho because this is our own. It's now was me say froso na mo hu de ekọ. Mandam. Fabo. Sana wa drippy pies ka de kwada. How?
Sister Sandy be a guy.
That was a message froso.
Yes, why are there?
I mean, this is the guy. He's so patient. With humility, no, so all the words to say, Charlie be it straight.
Yeah, but
Jembra. Mandam you pick.
Sister Sandy.
My friend was Seshi Kendrick. Because Sanya, Aquanity Mede, Yamana Risa. A can story no answer near better so will be all for the first time no maybe on only TikTok and Sony app nibi who is Mandem.
Okay, so Mandem your pick upcoming talented musician from Coco City, Sana me fair me hood no Seshi Western of so Mandem your pick for the first time will be all share me Mandem your pick will be our drop pick Kweku Samson last year me drop pay Kweku Samson and it was all over the place. Yes. Yeah, me drop a idea read this. So in all no man them your pick upcoming superstar. Yeah, also.
So say me clear upcoming if you when you
yes.
Yeah, for the talented
yes.
You pick because no more upcoming because you might drop no no disrespect but afra will be a mainstream art, but also will tell them, especially with this, no.
Sure.
And a new one, I would have to crack. Yeah, my vista, I go my vista.
Says we are so be a fan of phone.
Crack.
Guess ni pose o moto a.
Kre.
Snapchat will be a
kre.
And if a phone na say feature picture. When you can get sardine for
kre.
And answer what could Dubai to
kre.
Ah, champagne you the pour.
Kre.
Of course she at least be out there more.
Kre. Mandem.
Sister
style no. Quite different, but yet to me. Related to it because that's a whole story because they all can
yes,
no.
Yes.
May you mutu kre.
Yes.
Obi ato champagne ka kre.
Kre.
Man, when mentals be my person will be was. Mami osmo I just too many experience of this talent bagger and you are best trying what I say. This is genius works now. Why? Because this is everyday life.
Yes.
Obi e try say kwa to so obi say mabu akre.
Kre.
Instead of some from ambulance or track kre.
Kre answer na. Yeah, so enyum we na nkasa no. Inspiration no free.
Exactly.
Me akasa me obi a me sua ade so me show obi a or in a position for me to learn from him. Yeah, me sua ade free no ho. Enti me sia amrado. Yeah, na me bisa no nse me ne di nkomo. Na me kire ne say ontume fo. Me ka kire ne so ontume fo. Na of course nyom ne de ye pre-hit song no, but obi a what do yes. And obi anim say adwuma a obo no. Nti yeah, nti me bisa no say hit songs no nyom ne de ye ba differences ne de how are you betumi e de hit songs aba anase yeah and otra me bibi say oh for now ne de ode beto me trem ne say obisa me question say sisi ade na ekoso a me fa ne say nipa nim ba ho ba na me nye ready for the answer no ba no am bie ma dwemi ka chem so sisi ano say o hwe cinema obi afa ne phone or the year and positive or negative or yeah and the fun aspect of it and so and or they say we no man
and nice.
Me be
no buy but it's true we everyday life the champagne to so correct obi nem correct is a positive or negative in fact mandem TikTok there we are borrow or other platforms so abobo fama me YouTube channel ni ade
me or YouTube TikTok Audio Mac Apple Music streaming platforms
all the digital platforms
IG and social media platforms ni na me also and digital Facebook, platforms no
yes
mandem your pick
sorry per se mudie ni seshi I'm rooting for this talent Charlie if you feel some na that you drew show why we don't such as say hey me kro mu ni on say fepa above all no e Ghana ni it let's push this talent me need the sister Sandy me mandem your pick ya ba pos mo biom ni ampo hey
Kano said it na bia makato said obuo ene ne de kwa so na beka ne said e semetie yemfa binka o yenyi benso emfa emfrimu ene efiada sene no me show board ne be ma akwanya na so atimi afre agent discussion start Monday say ye to abawie a basabasa ye ba kire no obi abawura office we was me part na ba power etutu free onam so me so no kwan me betimi afa so a ye masade no eto atwa kura tena ponso akwanya so betimi join the discussion 0302 211701 0302 211702 0302 211703 friend ntiem na ja yenko yenim sa kwan me betimi afa so a sade ye betwa so kura ne yenye nano bi enu obiem nanu bi enu obiem o man o se ko nanim o so mine ko nanim na nnu ati me fa Ghana gas na me hwa police for ya so mu akwakoguwo all because e wo mabru bitrim se ye be kwa ye basabasa ho to say here please follow do ekogu Ghana gas and I'm like how ya to abawie Ghana for decided an overwhelming victory for John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency, and the NDC, Amanyoko. About 183 to 184 parliamentary seats. And so, Basaba Seben and Kasa Wech Rebbe. Yemfa winye last one, Krawo. Yemma winye last one. Say after we a BNCBM. Ni moving ko yanim and penfona take over nipa bi o se atwe na so na moto bi otu ya answer amfata no e betwe na so mra kwa so Ben good morning Ben Mate. Mate.
Okay.
Okay.
Na me me yan no.
Okay. Bra.
Aku se bia boko de.
Nya me adna so e.
Mo ye pa, me so mo ye pa.
Ye de me ase.
You asem no se ni sie no I was say wo mo distra asem no fiti that me do all kind no. E won sem na all kind no no kwan potie. And checking you cry so very simple for something we should not be doing fine.
Okay. Mate. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Me patcho din sana free.
Me din this school. Me free creative ba me free Kumasi.
Fees go patcho it you.
I think the government na some farm measures into because sometimes you be me who san na man I Philippine. Nti so mo share embra bi into a obi government be free power no obi extra so be demolish bibia then on be prosecute no and no be boy than say obi free power na just the other one so ni youth abano almost say enema e basa e your mind sika no no de ba be repel sa enema no nti me suggestion is say measures be end ho say measures ni bibia eda wa rules e wo ha I think that these things will stop. Now education also income more as I'm starting. I think that boy am a youth so you find to my part Afra. Because I'm
Tupac, good morning.
Good morning, director.
Me pacho free.
Me free sunyani.
Tupac etio.
Yeah, me pacho wapo mu boko dia.
Yeah, me na dumo.
Yeah, unim. Yeah, politicians who size ade no a political mafia. E wo penyini mu a o sha kire a o suma se munko ha se commander of chief aye president o tie mu se munjaya obia ni wo betima ko bibia ko yesa enti ye besre ono ye papa jo mahama ye to aba ma na wie niema e besre bia no obeba ba yi sika akrokro sa niema no ti yesre no ontia boys no na wo de hwe soldiers na wo kase omude omako any police form de omako guo ede ade na omubedi wo de say ye be sisa aka no betu ho a wo hu se ambamwo nu chi kwa chire enti ye politicians na ankasa no ye tie nkrofo na omuyesa na omubejai obi na obetima tie omu this is politician.
Asunaba, good morning. Asunaba, good morning. Oh, Fachema Asunaba humano at one for few calls benaja yemfa insist and I say asemidikete obi a okwan so bia so betimi a kire na adwen o man nkan ko ne nyina ye hwehwe so man betimi asiyie o man betimi agina yie na ye hwe tene na America say who the other political party say ye MPP CPP PNC PPP it should never be your prayer say Jomama enfeli Jomama failure ho ripple effect bia ne yen ene bete ho kaka se fem wo bo cost to do 30 Ghana cedis per liter ye beto ne saa ungodo me yanka so ye MPP ni ntiro wo beto ne 50 because wa man any power it should be in our interest say obe succeed no mano etmi etumpo. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning, sir.
Open pacho din sana free
me kase free wanchi bro region
me pacho etio
me say sadia no ko fota me eti sadia no ye fa se get you wrong time u fia ko nyanso eti u foto fia ko nyanso eti atames na mama ko fia ko nyanso eti nti ye fa se ko sadia no mo mu jaya this is create abano abo tie ko nyanso create more youth employment no ke say ema youth no and the basa mo kwa bibia sa intimidate no one create na say ye fa say youth no do no gumno mu jaya na bibi sa tia na abani fitwa kana ebeba
mate okay merasi. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Me pacho din South Africa.
Your family Alex mukase see also.
Alex pacho etio.
Me say the air cost we yen paying for ni bishishi na yesa. It's no also president in 94. Now will take you obi as a scapegoat. Emma you say punishing us any pan obey jaita again. Now the Diani party members. No more Japan. You say you're queen in Ghana, but I still no more train by it. Into the economy shake, you know, say almost catch Anqualani so the answer president in the 90 form. No, take you be on.
Okay.
You should be as a scapegoat. Stand money in our submission.
May I say hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Opening Pachodin said half refrain.
Oh, Asantia to me also announced you.
Open it you.
Unia said, Sad you will be to master plan. I just saw minus of Sayamra. There's some running ma police a dear woman. Now, woman said, I buy the Asia. Part be a baby, a money pretty siblings in one. Those for the woman are the people. The Coba said, I'll be a deep in our belly. And you will slow them because you be crowd and car by an apamo. And no name as I do with air possible. It is a bit too big trap. I just for minus Sanamara. And son or minus your staff. That's it.
That's what I say. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Open Pachodin said half refrain.
In favor of Wasi.
Open
it. If I'm Kokudia.
Quackio.
Hachama Wukano, and no correct. Say, Ganane, and some Ranois. Sad way soon, Chada. Oh, said the West is here, Moy Mary. And tree. Oh, we are to a baby, a dear same Mama will win. Can't obey you, come near the way. Oh, Nipa say, but a pa, a quarter, and Nemasa, and your pet. And your pet. So, a banner one almost them. It's happened a banner banner. What's our work as I know Munya? That banner cost or no, upon the
okay. Good morning.
Good morning.
Bako, over free.
The coffee a confirm Ramoto.
Quack you.
Payam de and a pay Jumeza Rizi Jumeza over there, Ghana for years and ye papa. Na Obende Abambia Sana say, Benyan Bebun now or Bessa or manager Pazi. Na you also hear Kuya to see as I be Johnny, I campaign there. Young two madam opening in Waba by your money, and I tell the Yankasam Bebunanga say, oh, the canyon, you know, man. But the Mikimedo Kodi. Ado Muslaka say that is something for and Shana one fat BB and Suana. Or Chinabina Yan in Pebia, one was heavier way and this for young people. Now, she ever will see or money Mukra. That's what's on there. Politics in tea, not the Munko from Buffalo. Now I say, or mine. In tea, Oyada over there on Mampini Biera. Oshe na dam nyomo te dam no ye den Yesu ano a chianhwe ne ye a abahanye
but I say over change me for free for BABM. Now this is the voice of Ghana. Ghana for na akasa no we enya one region be BAB ewom obi a chirem bia condemn say emwa ye mfem kosi be papa bia ye strive say na be ya in our next years to come no you be dance to bampa bi edi I don't share college no because say omo hwe niema then we know pefe pass anya mabunu na de wo pe yes ade no etu ye pani bi na sabi o so de sa bro na dwembone sa na wo trimu a nyame nso ehu because we thinking nyina ne say e jabomu a we fa passport atu kwai yantre mo nyi o man sa. We can't continue always to be referring to the past. And then now, saying. I don't think Wahanum. President Mahamak said we need to reset our country. Reset in only one sector. Every sector of the nation. And sad we been so ekaho. And I know be a entraye. It's yen twice nana. Let's say to ourselves, enough is enough. Abayfo fro eba ye mamra ne nya adwuma. Yes, citizen arrest wo. Yes, citizen information wo, vigilantism wo, but in patrons wo nyina ne say ye mo won de tumi ahye won sasa police fo amane se esimesi wo bintin to anamo bia ebe se o mane fo mana mamra ne ni. Obi bia wa boni bia se mpanifo ne bre se ni bakro begida asem ni bia court be hwa asem no. And yet, a politicians from the prison. We have some politicians in the prison. As in Yamin no mere nebdi auko a sa a cabin some come of a saco pampomono and not send another way Ekan. The greater Accra regional chairman of NDC Ekan. So yes, sir. You are even helping them to escape crime. Because if you are not crata be a sabbat me somewhere, ye be investigation. Would it kick Bora walk say crata? Eta ba ko de boni kokko so kopa danse de egbo atia na onya krata aban sesa enyu asede eso we ko office akopa mobi tra wo fie na brante na de ayi hwehwani mu ko gina bui power na president mama kakra mi fi no o ni mguagu asa na we position wanya bi etuko no bi prawa ke prakwa ya fa so bi eni so. And that's the video ya here on TV so. Okwe no bi prawa, kwe praw kwa ya mfa so bi eni so. Obi anfiu. The first that we unemployed, 77 wadwenya adwuma. Yan wo hye brain so from side we say e unemployment na mama bru ni yes ada bi. The fact that we unemployed, just wadwenya adwuma. That's why you unemployed, we fa say kan go. Yenyan fama wona de tumidie ahye wonsa na wonto anamo obi bia wa ye bone bia in the previous government bia no sa ban wa dance enko ade a ekokota accord betu anamo me did akwasensia asebi de kani abuja fo atena se ye ni pense mu eto aso makra
asem yidika
Sama mujina kwa mabie me adumampa adumara kwenti na nyina da so te ase tashema da abodwem na moja ADM afusane nyame na de afri a cheye ene efiada the last working day of the second week of the first month of 2025 enti adumampa today being 17th day of January 2025 in kakrakra ye koyenim en uhunu sa ase agudie bi yenimu na yepem ede ekono yenimu na yepem de kono manfo bi nso ebiro nyaba ebi nso mango abre ebi motetin se pre. But on the brighter side of life, happy birthday and koma ahenkra ya wo sehwedwa aboso oya adwuma wo forestry commission ya wo dwaboso. We wishing you all the best, bro. Nyami onshira na onye okese way from August Mbua. Also pewa sempa nyami onshira. So I was a ministry no mzin for win so asa aba so far eno present mama issue 12 and I think CEOs 2 in an acting position. Lawyer Sami Jemfi. And now no pay I will say a jumase. Yeah, we are brainy who. Oh, the never vetting us. Oh, present boy, I say. So, bro, we wish you all the best. Yeah, Judy, and we trust Obetigana Mabuno and him. Because your rise, inspiration demand a lot of the youth. And they believe say baby yankopon de wo evra no and squako shine more honum na wankasa what ho anim what wabusua what penny or power and o my Ghana nyina so ahye ni monyam so ne beka nyina so bia so wanya appointment bia under His Excellency John Dramani Mahama 4-year mandate mu no nyame nka mo nyina ma ho. We pray say you succeed. We pray say it shall be well with you. We pray say me ye ade a beboa ma Ghana akonanim. Amo man afa na tuma pa e de afra. Ghana eni damoso. Kwantana na ya ba bedu no. Se bi popi we ni mu a mo na motim di afro. We have complained about this over the years. Gani ahomaso. Power drunk. We pray say mo bi enhye mama. And more beyond some fun to need to move the beer that says 17 year power is because NDC is in power. Say we 17 year and can present good for one card compare you. Yes, and more beyond another. Fan show Timuda. Say na me CV are rich. Private sectors be very pen for kuta sa rich CV in fako. ti amanfo no agye atum se wo ba be som yen fa saa ho brase na de kɔgye tumi no ebe som yen. Don't come and lord over us. E mani mama ese se bi o so minister o so appointed ye hu bi da ye hu bebre chen mo. Se na mu ba na mu de ahobrase ba no. Mu fa saa ahobrase no eme som man. Show leader, show president, show the composer. Never bore my Ghana. And I know Bika, and I think I side with him. You hope, John Dramani Mahama. If he fails, Ghana will be doomed. So I'm sorry, Padebi Amekacha him said, let's do everything possible within our means to support him. If President Mahama fails this time, it will be well with Ghana. The youth are just watching. They want to believe and trust that the second coming of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama will wipe their tears. But if he fails, omane hunamane. Tinam kaso obi a wanya kwanya wabo din se be yibibi wa na aban mu no. Foni to sade no. Pete woni ehwe sade no. The consequences ebe bo men so if he fails the country. Ko nkoto ye me mompa se Ewrade mani mfeli so da. Na na ntimi na ho. Se na be ya wona de pesamen kuminya. Wona de dwane ahomaso ne hantan kankan be wura mabom no. Na ni bete amotimi yi o mafiri mu. And now me shame at the inauguration of His Excellency. When obi a waye ku ye bone this wo kwakọ chia mampani hwe dede yo enye togo for ne ba ye o eye Ghana for. It should tell us something. Me dey questions here. Ora was together trase. Here as for J Edem. They are all fresh MPs. You ma copy ma say. Ora was together ma wie we no. Orientation.
I was here so me 10 days old.
Oh yes, in Parliament.
10 days old.
10 days old.
Oh, my birthday, don't I mean, say.
Okay.
And so because I said, my 10 days of Parliament.
Happy 10th day.
Yes,
in Parliament of Ghana.
The 9th Parliament of the 4th Republic.
What I'm going to say?
How
is Parliament 10 days in office?
Oh, because it's very interesting and exciting.
Okay.
Yeah, Nigeria, ne Ejumaden. Because Parliament said ye uhunu no ubedru ho a different.
Yeah.
Ejuma ewo Parliament.
Okay.
Na ye nso yaji atum se challenger ya fa to ye ho so se ye be som ye constituents no. Ye be ye adwuma aboa amagana etumpon. Na no pa me hu se we are very emotional. Key motivational speaker for me today. Wow. And me tie nsema wo ka kwan a ye be fa so as Ghanaians na ya boa ama ye man no etumpon. Ya to aba wie amanyosem esese ye de to nchen na ye ka bom se oman a ye nyina ye destiny eye ba akwa eno nti na wo condemn omo de mresho omo nsem a na mani age a me bo me nsem ma no ya to aba wie ye ma due processes emra enye n'adwuma mempene ya pam we ye yiwe ye free ho enya ade a eboa na metai kansa de na wo ka no se ye koye chi se we ba ye obeye sei enti enso ye beye saa ye ntumi nkoye nim
yeah
no kre sa ban se sa 2016 ye hunu enoma ekoso but the braso se ye be koye nim na anije sem ne se ye leadership His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. He has been very clear a waba abonten akondemo aka se wo a obeye tuturasem party no emmo ho ban ye national chairman aba abonten who make reference to Honorable Ashimo Greater Accra Regional chairman party leadership no akondemo enti menso me de ma no tum se wo party ba na ukoye tuturasem bi na emra ne udi a wo yesane se NDC as a party enso so sa no ma no so me constituency ani jesem ne se me leadership chairman James in team ne mpanyimfo ewo ho ene ye youth leadership akasa Kubrikum Wester ya sunwe boko ye twen President Mahama ashen appointment asi ya she ye process say di ye DCs ye wi a agencies a esese ye appointment ko at the local level ye beye until then no obi anto aso nye nadwuma said the emra no enti ye masonwie eni hene. And one thing meta can say mandate Ghana for the His Excellency and NDC no, we should not take that for granted. Enye NDC for nkwane to abama eyo maimunu nyina, and that confidence o ma repose in His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, and for that matter NDC as a political party no, we should not take that for granted. Na menim se nyankopon eka ye hu yibe hunu the change that we all want.
First 25 appointment, ministry appointment, out of 60, there were 35 more to go. First 25, who is it?
Solid,
7,
solid, super solid. I go see me call parliament just 10 days. Me do hono, me the majority caucus leadership. A year juma kakra bi na first few days. Ye adwuma no enye me nwanwa se President Mahama enya gidie the key ministry to the finance ema Honorable KSL Atoban Forson. Super solid person with the credentials to her, with the experience, with the knowledge, the passion on economic issues to her. Super na enye me nwanwa se President Mahama o release listing in batches because NDC has a lot of men or more than capable. Hwe leadership Yewura Kwame Agwaja or no so yaboni din super as chief whip. Me leader ewo Bono caucus Honorable Ahmed Ibrahim.
Yeah.
Solid man. Let me tell you one thing. Unim say after 2016 election, Ekoka Yewura Ahmed Nkwane, the only NDC MP in Bono region. Etina NDC Bono caucus no ye one man caucus.
Hey,
against
after 2016 election.
After 2016, ye lose your seat nyina wo Bono.
That time we were having 10 regions.
Yes, 10 regions. You almost split it.
Yeah.
Ahafo. Efri mono Yewura College Zelda na Yewura Erikopoku kodi ahafo.
Yeah.
And I split Bono East nso Yewura Mpofu Chuma Simo Yewura Kwabena Donkomo kodi Bono East. Enti Bono mother region no eka Yewura Ahmed Nkwa.
2016
one man caucus ewo Bono. And with the determination, the support fighting ma 2020 yebenya 6 ewo Bono. 2024, you move from 6 to 11. It is the same MPP could just one. German South. Yeah, 10 tied. And the resilience, the endurance, never say die spirit. Abra nemu eden onunko working closely with the regional leadership, the national leadership, of course. You will see don't get here chairman Natchez Asanyama region no more you do. Now you cry 11 out of 12. Ewo Bono enti enye me nwanwa se Yewura Mahama enye gidie the local government ya sign the chieftaincy abeka ho sa ministry kesi we ahye nensa enti ye kire kind of leadership a ye wo parliament ye kura 137 a ye dia fight abedru 183 enti President Mahama appointees na se one nominate omo no meka se hwan Mete say media for no bi ka say trade esoma ye Mama Elizabeth Ofosu Ajare. They be na unim no closely.
Okay.
Your friend Iron Lady. Now remember said the time President Mahama then a year tourism minister no.
Yes.
Cabinet ministry. Kwan of so handle tourism ministry, innovations, creativity or the ba that time amanfo pay attention. Eti meme wo gidie say trade in anyade eso chen no kra obeye adwuma no. And or no the political experience every ne papa mo time na oba bona ne papa mo ye ka NDC a omo de kura nkora bremu a wa develop ye bedu this stage a ye cabinet minister under his excellency John Dramani Mahama enti we nya adwuma eso chen no me ame gifa creative why deputy da enti o experience e wo ho ye wura Haruna Idrisu.
And what if you say a trap?
Well, here,
meaning what? If you say education ministry, the trap in your say issues on the person so could feeling.
No, you need somebody who is baby. No, let me tell you. Let me tell you.
Okay.
Finance. So issue economy. One would say the aye. A trap and idea you to force in call. You put your best brains. Ewo baby ofo say ehon because Ghana your budget sometimes it do baby na almost half education and health na efa enti ye key area o man betum pon a education na uwo bi te say Yewura Haruna Idrisu communication labor relations leadership or parliament na ono ankasa ni personal relations ni ade. He is a serious persuasive communicator, big time negotiator. Under His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, labor agitations are na ekoso wo man kwanya ofaso say under nanado ekoso say bianca na ban no collapse ye. Enti wo hwe ndi part track record nim de and within the party and beyond said the amanfo gene tum no. He's best fit for the job. Enti Yedi Yewura Haruna Idrisu ko education a enye me nwanwa Yewura Rekopoku.
Yeah.
The voice of the nation about
obvious.
Agree ko honsema. Enti Yewura Jojo Pareado. Yeah. Political experience yekura na as MC 8 years. Obeye leader of NDC youth. She innovation afi abaye to ye no. Youth no ne to abade ma Ghana for. Uko constituency a because about 80% of the votes are yenyaye na youth no na drive ne leadership innovations na kwanya wafa so organize and mobilize and His Excellency eka say matters relating to youth development that is so key enti obe separate youth from sports and why so this is the first time you create Ministry for Youth Development.
I think this is the first time Ghana has a political party manifesto
for the youth. Exactly. Yeah. So it tells you because you can't unemployment how money affect you more. Youth or mine be bien ko ye say to youth. So if we address issues affecting the youth, and more mine tumpon and who qualifies more than Miaminia Pablo. Why MC 8 years? Why the leader of the youth wing of the party since 2018. 6 good years, 7th year money. And he's seen it all. Yemame Emilia Atta. And he appointment na bana. There is one thing.
Okay.
The HRN say NDC has more than enough men and women. We have them in abundance.
The entire
no America no and no can say CVs near there. Let's be very honest and humble here. Say obia yaman appointment no. Ebi kura bi mu ho mu CVs. Kura assign a chain. Eti say unya appointment a eye asudie responsibility. Eno nchire say bia wo nimdie chain nipa ni nyina. Enti nimdiefo no ewo NDC mu no enya adeketoa say President Mahama eka so appointed 1,000 ministers he has more than enough competent experienced men and women are omobe mane enti emu kakra 60 na ba no de kakra ono ankasa de na no akasa obeyi 60
okay
but there are a lot more I work here yensu ye di enim de ye experience ya dwene ne ye bibia ba beboa na ye ka oman chichire especially to us NDC people enye ministerial appointment President Muhammad be ma wonko a na betumi am wa contribute to we a member of parliament uko jina say member of parliament no wan kan kire constituency o ba be ye minister enti na ye ma wonko o ka so o ba be som enti ubana President Mahama the responsibility for kan ho say minister say board member board chairman ana adwuma fufuro bia addition
okay
ade a odi aka ho say koye but the first and foremost responsibility me gina no me kan kire Brekum West mindset me ba na maba be som abe gina parliament aprempuntuo di abromo me bana President Mahama de ade fufuro kan ho say menye emfamo a ye be som se fufuro a me kan ho animdi a ye wo no ye de boa President Mahama
okay
ama na nisu ade ehunu no etumi aba me nti wo hwe nominations abana super wo hwe ye first batch of nominees ye veti omo I mean no doubt yewura John Jinapo eba energy matters he was deputy to Miami New Panyin Kwabena Donko power ministry and since then we ranking member of energy or parliament he's been the most vociferous voice in fact make us about energy matters were popular than omo ahodu yewura na po ne yewura mewumu a omo ahodu energy ministry portfolio no I mean he alternatives or deba in terms of policy direction in terms of where BSS ye de yina menkane a ekọ enuoma yewura John Jinapo keka ho nsem no se yewura mewu ne yewura na po mu de ye adwuma kanye ne se ye wo ba bia ye wa and we are on the blink
okay
and thank God to say yewura Mahama take proactive steps and quickly they see yewura John Jinapo yi minim say parliament ye ba benade ya san kwa nyankopon ya adoma ye ba approve ama wa hyase na imminent danger wo ye nim wo energy sector no yetumi avert quickly enti super competent super passionate super patriotic individuals are omoye ready so mo be so mo man no enti let's wait for more
35 more
and we are waiting and you see what had appoint nominees are all no so regional balance adwuma gender balance adwuma it's been very meticulous
when I say gender the balance in sir
very meticulous
18 against 7
oh
remember 18 so far mass 7
do you know the weight of the vice president do you know the weight of the vice president now, let me tell you
okay
who can balance a balance no ye na ye call for the highest level say 30% but who share call 18 na 8 say meet 30% threshold meet 30% and key ministerial cabinet positions and one sem na ye kan you and na yasan ye oba o ye number 2 enti ye kan party yenko parliament nso na yenko hwe mai wo parliament wunim se ofa NDC ne MPP a yemba na ye be times 3 of omomba no e wo parliament enti ye ka party consciously ye promote gender equity you see gender equity
okay
NDC enti nominees e ma na wa nominate omo no nyina solid uko regional level uko cabinet and number 2 and so your bar and there is no dispute because we there who have and a manifesto no cause he will try to get to the in fact 30% for now recommended globally going forward in the next 2030 and beyond you know, they're looking at 50% so we are close to 30% in fact we previous government in our 18% and 21% more but so far the fact that number 2 nko ayaye no ba no e kire ye se enye nwanwa se daachi bi number 1 kura na NDC benya akukudu se ye de oba abeko enti that is where we are heading towards. The agenda issues America say we are on course.
So still about local governance and one sense minimum what is Ankomodia after team was say we need to revisit the election of MMDCs.
I think that there is
calling for partisan election.
There is broader consensus about the way.
Okay.
Me gidi say Ghana for dodo na, and in fact surveys are hodo Afrobarometer survey by survey 7 Ghana for dodo na almost 70%, 65-68% say yen to aba. Experts in governance are hodo this year annual school, New Year school, Asia no experts Asia yet to adwini nyina no obia call for election. And this as a political party Yewra Mahama na nkasa aka na ye sha se ya ye processes a ye de ba be yi ye DCs no krata e free the leadership of parliament na ba na sign the shame say wo call for DC position no fa show trim say within the next 2 years anymore ya ekodo.
Okay.
Be prepared to say election. Betumi aba. So it's part say as conditions qualifications say obi ho why wadun say obi made for 4 years. There is that possibility. That caution is in there. Okay. So it means NDC as a political party no, I embrace it. Now so
based on this no, does it mean that the next 2 years near share we say be election of MMDCs?
Yeah, say stakeholder consultations in the processes or you know say sa normal way no e follow processes. The decan e was say ye share article 243.1 because there are constitutional provisions you need to deal with first.
Yeah.
Over 2431 or say there shall be a district chief executive for every district who shall be appointed by the president with a prior approval of not less than 2/3 majority of members of the assembly present and voting at the meeting. So constitution is a president ne be DC.
Yeah.
It is say yebetumi akoto aba as say ye amendment.
Okay.
We free ho. Na ye gitumi a president edi DC no every president nsam. Ye wie there is another entrenched provision ewo article 55.3 eno no de uhia 2/3 edi referendum. Eno nso ka say subject to the provisions of this article, a political party is free to participate in shaping the political will of the people, to disseminate information on political ideas, social and economic programs of the national character, and sponsor candidates for elections to any public office other than to district assemblies or lower local government units. So, constitution no, there's a political party wa kwenya se obebuabua domano politically wakwa abatuo a sponsor candidate abatuo bia aje se the constitution no emma ho kwan ne say district assembly elections say DC ni assembly members and the unit committee members dia party one ho kwan so sponsor.
Okay.
Enti say yes sir 243 na yaji tumi na free president nsem na wi a ye betumi akọ on partisan lines a yes say science is 55.3
that another 2/3.
Yeah, and I think that with this parliament very easy to do that. And yes our process is where we are quite no abedem. And in terms of timelines timelines no, there are conditions precedent. This say yes I know where we answer. So depending on said ye ebe kon 10 no and ebe ma ye hulu, but the position say ye nto aba enyi ye DCs na ye nto party lines no something America say Ghana for nyina. In fact yewura na na do try say nka ono nso ebe initiate sa processes no just stakeholder consultation ne consensus building ena wantumi anye ne yie duru ba bia antumi ankoso bada ya de a Ghana for gitum political parties no enso ehwe adim enti minim se animanimu ya no yebetu ho anamo na sade madikan ya ka no ye ka se district assembly elections ne ho nsensemenye partisan na ye nunu ye ho na asre I mean no kure wom no political parties finance assembly members ne ade political parties the bibia ye nominated DC kura no political parties the wepo assembly members no whether to approve and not to approve enti die enti na ye nunu ye ho esre enti babia adu ya practice this side ye nyina ya hypocritical say enye political enye say for 32 years I think that now clamor for DCs assembly members unit committee members to be elected along partisan lines partisan lines no I think a call in order and I know say under His Excellency President Mahama it will happen because say the medical can ye nkrofo na omo ahia apply no as part of conditions no that question is also there say be mindful say this can happen
it a be more position here the partisan nature of your mind
right
say ye be kwa to MMDC so abai enye constituencies ni nyina na NDC ene wi ni ye your constituency bi wo no mu a NPP na wi ni ye your district constituency bi wo no mu a NPP tainted e bi NDC tainted
yes
now, in this instance NDC now power ni ye be kwa to aba na NPP ni na e ba benya MC
no kura na be ma mamuo na akoyie in fact me live through that
okay
me kai tema na me wo UK ye me masters in fact me to abaye bibia UK system and ama oman no etumpon ka ho bi because I quite remember Ken Livingston everywhere Boris Johnson buy as mayor of London how ujira on the ticket of political parties obey mayor of London Labour na na wo that was Gordon Brown more time no more be kan ho and adwumaden a oye wo London kan ho bi ne ma conservative eba power 2016 Boris Johnson free where Sadiq Khan current mayor by conservative ne wo hosa from 2016 besi na anu ya etene aba Labour no but not Labour ni na ye London mayor enti imagine say ya to aba na behwe na ebia Kumasi mayor NDC ni bia behwe ho ebia MPP ewo ho a contrary to perception say oh nyana ban na wo ho no adwumaden a mayor no beye no be ma ye hu say senka na ban na wo ho kra ka bia party no betumi aye adwumaden and eboa ema ye democracy no eye den etumpon eteki winner takes all say o constituency bi wo ho a ya to aba bi MPP anwene presidential endo parliamentary na NDC akonwene ye wo ba bi wo ho a MPP anwene presidential na NDC akonwene parliamentary enti emfa ho say e higher a bit more possible say beti Kumasi na yakoto depending on nipa na ogina no nso ka ho na political party no nso really behind enti for me it should not be a challenge at all na mom de besan yama na ya ni gene say the current provision uyi me DC eyi me mayor a me nim se chena e betumi asen ya sesan o de security of tenor 10 be a president no put me sesan enti uye adwuma untumi emplane eno nso ka ho tumi kura de corruption ba wan pe bibi kakra ngu ba bi a unim se e chena yesi kofie but ye to aba you 4 years so ye mayor unim se uye wadwuma yi a the next 4 years enti e betumi adu ba bi kura ma bi mo nso abuild careers se be more building careers or parliament or ba first term na wasan ko second term na ban wo ho na ban ni ho obi kopre MP onwese na ban wo ho na ban ni ho ansa na wasan yakọ no ebenyi omo nso a local governance no mo ba be kwadare mu na ono nso build and with experience institutional memory no be boa ma yanya local governance experts nso omo nso ehwe district no ama ye decentralization na tumi akoso rather than say ye yi obi a wacha ye the term of the government no nso ko ebi nso ho kra de 2 years wanyi a o constituency 40 anye yie no omo sori wo MPC o mpewa na je se eno ano no enti abato
Bastuga ebi nso opposition se ye wo man a president kra betimi kra ka cha se o kra wan to aba mamenti kamen fimo
se president yes sir the governance no mum na all weekend no
it depends because for example say if NDC were power na NDC nim say Asante Mampong deni Asante Mampong for to aba mfa ma NDC
good
e say so ja Asante Mampong for shege
yeah
on fio mu a consequences na dey because mun to aba
ma member example afi Asante Mampong
okay
ye mpia ye de no koye no me aminu ya kubu difference I would lose you na just around 3,000 but previously na yetumi lose by 20,000
yeah
enti wo ye president na ase Asante Mampong fo nto aba ma nti wonye hwe wo ho a difference na ye 3,000 e betumi akwa akoduru difference 30,000 because they say Ghanaians are very sophisticated enti omo ato aba yi omo DC omo mayor na omo hu se nipa no bo no ho modern na ban no decide so obe victimize sad district no because of DC omo ato aba yi na they also punish that government in elections sanete na American UK sanete say sesia wo bia London American conservative tesona o say obeyan hihye betia London ama people of London are so far eduru abato a omo nka se Sadiq kan na anya adwuma ombeto atia conservative say waye nhihye ya ma omo asofa because decision abeteke no enya DC no na mayor na MC no na affect no it will affect the people and gradually these are issues obeka say the downside of the argument but going forward no we will mature into it ebe hunu say waban wosu waban ni so say te say tema na ndisi opposition ye MPs bebre free voter no mo ye adwuma den okuje to mo nti no mo aban ni so hu say omo ye adwuma di mpuntu okọ yusu other means ni ade
and they say because this no aban no was in appointed no
exactly
it's aban any other option and so be supporting the DC I'm on to deliver on
I'm talking about the MP
yeah I'm going to say MP
so we DC
yeah
na we industrious hard working waban wo ho waban ni ho ubetumi aye adwuma because aban bia so na America no aban no yemfa na sese NDC na wo so na yakoto aba district bi municipality bi ana metropolitan bi MPP ni na ye mayor ho na aban no decide say obedi nan sa district na municipality no eno mo hia eye party no and be sofa in the next election enti wo abaye sa no you rather be punished edi menyi ni say for instance His Excellency John Dramani Mahama we esi wo na bre so a obeye sa because our track record say obeye president no the biggest market in West Africa say Kenya Ashanti region na ye NDC stronghold but ono hwe equitable distribution of national resources baby a eno man hia omo say ode ko no onhwe se hofo to abamaye ana hofo ento abamaye na ode ade no eko enti eko ba se ye to abana menyi ni se you may have a president here be decide say obeye sa but His Excellency John Dramani Mahama I know very well say under his leadership say ye to aba eyi eye DC sa irrespective of say ho ye NDC stronghold and anya NDC stronghold no ombenya omo fair share of the national cake.
No mo nyina na mte fa ko orientation. Yeah, as me who picture this. Yeah.
There be idea there person yesua nti ye ka information na e ba no. So you can enya wi ansa na. Ya transmit ya mamoti.
Okay, so we have this sending so. What no. The sending so pa. As for a member of parliament ma dey share what bosume from Ashanti region.
I hope so onye damage be.
Honorable. There be so nim say. Yeah proper discourse. So
mo we dikai.
Bibia boko.
As for a congrats.
Kina me da say. Me da say na unya ma mi nkosia e. Enti na ya me ba beje.
Patrio.
Ya mi tu so utuja.
Parliament say.
Unya mi adom kakra.
What de?
Ne de no a relative.
Okay.
Ne de no a relative. But once I made the manante ho amasum ho for some time.
Yeah.
Enti no na miwura ho na it's a bit nostalgic. Security for a woman me number one ba. National service for nyame adomo me no mo ko ho a parliamentary service afawm mpanimfo na me ye adwuma o mase a na o mo da so ho a o mo kai me. In fact, me Mr. Jetro, he was one of the clerks when national service for home. He national service be research assistant Emma Honorable Frank Anodompre from 2013 now to 2020. So that no waba and aye obia there. Aye obia so motivated say this is what would be odo any CBB so. Now catch nyame say nyame me pese me yewi now two anamon kwa you would get there. Gidi say nyame be ma kwakodo. So ne environment ni de enya de fofo. And so I know my way around. Me pe way am nim say wa ha, me pe way am nim say wa. But the community ho ni dan mu ho ni de fofo. I know there me do red carpet ni so no na me tia so am trans na go yeah. Yeah, we are landing. So those time now you show parliamentary proceedings need debate. You show from the gallery. Yeah. And me so na say me boss ni ho a and I say emre wo mu kakra na makotena ho na me show pa na me show that time they like na me favorite your friend is MP parliamentarian Papa Usu Ankoma. Secondly Papa Usu Ankoma. Say and adia etimi mame I dazzle this. Say onya sorry jina hope. No matter what the discussion is, you would see Joe Ajaho deferring to him. Papa Uswankoma. And onya kasa, he settles the debate. He gives direction. He gives the speaker even a clue as to resolution and answer decision or make it. And I loved him. Into most of the times, when you offer contributions on the floor of parliament. Okay. I mean, kind. Papa Uswankoma. He was my favorite parliamentarian. And then I made the say, me nsuma kwa kopi ho. And they be until me can say, Moya, Mamonyan say, he's a member of parliament for Bosume Friend. There be member of parliament for the good people. Omuye good. Omuye good. I am the last person somebody would expect me on the floor. Yeah. But because omuye good in Tino, Yamiado. Tima da almost pa me almost dance. Then the next people I thank as a good people of Bosume Friend. But you see, a community emame kai say Charlie, it is somebody's struggle. That is why I'm here. Man for bo poster, man for con, me no kase krano. And no MP tuning their platforms, their pages, people are fighting for you. Yeah. If you mu baby, man for people are obi kra how unimu no. Yeah. Unshi hanumpuda. Oh man, once he did that. But he's doing that for you. Intino Oma and cry no near parliament no show trim bebre na referee say you'll be a modern bobintina or teha. Okay. You would miss it. And like I said, ya to Obama omampenia, ya to Obama omampenia ni say ombehwe Ghana fo nyina so. Ya to Obama omampenia ni say ombehwe the party fo so. You can look at the figures
and do your own deductions from the figures. But it won't take away the fact that the President John Dramani Mahama has been elected for Ghana. And then, who is the President of Ghana? Your mama. Even though most of us hold different view, like 2020, total registered voters 40 million. The Tuaba MPP nya 6.3, 6.7, NDC nya 6.2. Okambomwa more than 13 million. So the number of Ghanaians are anko Tuaba less than 1 million. 2024, 18 million registered voters registered Ghanaian voters. 6.3 NDC, 4 point something MPP. Okambomwa almost 13 million. Let's just say over 6 million Ghanaians and Tuaba. Yes, almost 5-6 million and Tuaba. Now, we NDC in 6.3. Let's just say over 11 million Ghanaians didn't vote for John Dramani Mahama. But still, he's the president, even with the figures. So, say, you told how. See how your duty as a president is to take care of the entire country. That is why you are making appointments. The minister will go to her, we are EDC, Obia, a Juma or so yeah. So I think strongly that we may a party for a little time. What you say? And sometimes I feel that we need this time to organize our party. Tell me you. I'm not saying that we are not supposed to criticize the president, the government. We have to. But you see, when we are doing it, we are giving them clues. The NDC is not a new NDC. Why are the appointments are banning? We vetted, Parliament has vetted a friend saying Honorable Kingsley Ato Force.
It would him fetch me for epim one me ye mulaba. Me ba ye ba betwaso. As for ye member of Parliament marriage oboso me frɛ ho in Ashanti region. Bedwam so ni mulabra so ye kwa ba se. Yes am kwa ba biem efa emra bedwam so mu ama wini. There be am say fatu trim say. And your betting tax for the first 120 days of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. And the first budget of Dr. Castiel Ato Forcing. Yeah, ever in March 2025, betting tax flew on them. It was also trying to boom pa. What to be at the boom. So,
the honorable now or yeah, diabolical. Oh,
team. Me say, you're to force it.
Yeah.
To force. And the minority, side, we've raised our concern about the vetting, But the Ambassador said, NDC, you're to force, no, your deputy.
Yeah.
Your deputy, no, court, no, your deputy. Now he is substantive. What's different? Number 2, Akrotinga, Honorable Akrotinga, Dominic Ayeni. He was a deputy. Meboa.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, judgment, no, your deputy. Okay. JJ
John Jinapo.
Honorable John Jinapo. No nye deputy. Onukra at the point no. Honorable Donko. Honorable Kwabena Donko had to resign because we are promising and then Dumsoni to betcha no any or resign. And Sana JJ Ebe substantive minister.
Honorable.
I think President Mama Danima, the then finance minister was like Tepe. Although be a now the finance minister was working.
Let me clarify what you say. You were Kwabena Donko. Dum sono. At the time, ye free power. Not dum sono. At the time,
that discussion we between your Kubu and then Oh, me ko baby. Me haya na me jina. Haya na me jina. Dem je time bi ani ho. Onyo keka kan na me ni ha. Tie. Enya de kro.
Vice President.
Enya de kro. What who me question?
No, it is.
I
mean, no,
what who me question?
What who me question?
What me question? You see what they did to Dr. Baumia in this country? You saw what they did to Dr. Baumia in this country.
What I'm saying is,
when even Dr. Baumia was telling Ghanaians, was telling the NDC, say, telling me, Vice President. And some of the some of the things you are not getting it.
That is the problem. So I'm not starting on the premise. May advice. Me taking instructions from my boss.
Thank you.
You would have seen us.
The crop of nominees are not different. Me Kwame Amitihe. I'm not expecting anything from them.
Oh, how?
Oh, Mami can't crunch now. T. Yes, Ope, Oyere, this is Yechi Asha. And our man, people so do. I am telling you that I have developed a certain patience for the NDC. Minim. Say, enche, sekpro, no, I bet you be any so Ghana. Enjo. Tie.
Amazinyo no de wo mu.
O tie. Enum no enyum ni de yen kan kro. Tie.
Enyum ni clip no. Ze be feature wo one scene.
Now sugar now. Oh, nice one. And enche betu. Tie. Okay. We told Ghanaians say John Dramani Mahama on some mamu na ansubium embe pressure. So the sense of accountability no eniho Emma, Mose Yeboa, Mwenti. We gave you examples, say, Mon share time na obeba mona so ababe pre a certain friend say vote biomunumpo no catch them say we develop Odwanfun syndrome. This time round, TMU, wo university near Kra, wo to aba, wo secondary school near Kra, wo to aba ma NDC, hoping and thinking say Omo ba o be ko university o first year fees no wo mu say ye free no a ukoto ye no KN University deadline for paying fees no I dey apa hu Legonde other schools no sanity o ye bisa minister at the vetting say na sa de no o ka ho den o se gi se wo do ministry ho ti o na so new ministry ho otimi ka kire say COVID tax obe abolish oti onu ministry ho otimi ka chese betting tax obe abolish onu ministry ho ye but they do school fees nation there where this could do ministry ho that is scary wanyama what will you do? You have no other alternative or option or avenue to seek redress. We told Ghanaians my mom first started and I say, your mama can say LGBTQ. Me dem say me nkebi. Because as we started with Chroma, we were clear on this matter. Did there were money? Yeah. If there is one area NDC nya vote, even the entire clergy had to march on the streets. Yeah. Minim so ba xenophobia. I was in a xenoph violence.
Yes, I was in a xenoph.
One of the things that made them won the elections in a xenoph, LGBTQ. A xenoph. Yeah? Omo be catch that xenoph for ne say. Ye pese ye radio question efri ho. Se ne be ya ye betimi etwa LGBTQ bill nimu. Na jo question wo ho dia wo be to ama se ne be LGBTQ bill no ebe baso na MPP for no ye ni empe. This was the campaign in the villages. So they cast out. And then, oh, catch them and say, John Mahama catch them and say, see, ye per se, ye imbibe values of your friend say right word no ye moral education here ye mfa nko hye ye textbooks no adena crime ye mfa nko hye textbooks no ni ye ho law adena ye mfa nko hye textbook ni ye ho law. So that is the whole thing we were trying to tell Ghanaians about. And to me, they may catch me party for saying, "Oh dear, let's spend the few months we have to reorganize our party." Yeah, got to about polling station. Yeah, mamranti sika, mamba wesika, omukita abono, into duwa, akosia a free year never to about no atiki. Ubia NDC did, we did. We had earlier done our auditing. Into ni ofa danso abon. Yenim said danso polling station A. We no possibly ombeto aba my MPP anymore because you know me to grow. Ye ko to aba no. Ye ko fa register no hwe say ye take ye no. Akosia free ye obeto ya na wambeto. Akosia free ye. Di nti na wambeto aba. Na yen starting ye ho adwuma yen starting baby o se pacho yen pacho baby o se chirechiremu yen chirechiremu bua entansa bebo gitumu na pacho because we are all part of what happened. Yen spend time. As for the NDC, they will definitely fail.
Agwazi.
We know them.
Agwazi ma to me boy note to how.
Enti
my note.
Yeah.
Na honorable saa semna yewura mahama yede no be candidate saa no mo kan oh president mahama de yenim no dada oni ade fufuro bia ode ba oni ade fufuro bia eno ho result ene yehunu no 7 December no eno ana sese mo asan ya sha ase oh atofo sen haruna omo wo ho dada but let me tell you ye woni pa ye manu position a osua de a opaja no ko animu a or the experience wanya no esan ya ba be ye ade foforo and ye nominees ye line omo up da bia na ye ka enti president mahama jokingly e ka wo wini ba say mo na mo taw to say mo wo men no na yedim say area boys na mo wo me obi a me was sports. I've been involved in the national campaign sports since 2000 as a national spokesperson sports 2020-2024 na o hwe baby to say sports na ko fa yewura siama 4 years o ko fa yewura Mustafa 4 years and mo say mo wo men o hwe nipa ye bobo so ne key ministries ayede amomo na they are men of integrity proven track record na yebehunu ehun sunsanso ono bo eduru baby a yemfa manyosem no nto nchen bibi to say de wo ka tertiary fees ni ade you are an honorable member of parliament would say aban entumi implement policy bi until and unless say ya budget ama budget no aba parliament ama ya approve appropriation sisi ya wo parliament say adwumadie ye be ya no around ending of March enti ye be dey na ye to aba wiye saa temporary budget mu ye ya nsa na mu free so na ye dey run your mind no enti until March ye be ye budget ye appropriation e be ye dey na ye aban ye nyi finance minister kura o ba ye o say e ba betu ye fees you know say premature enti ade bi wo ho a ye ma processes no follow ye budget awie aba parliament ye approve appropriation no eno betumi ye adwuma aban na ba or the 4 years na e ba be ye na adwuma enti ye nhwe budget e beba then academic ye di anim no eduru ho a eno ho asem ene ye betumi aka de du ba bi a mo LGBT mo a aya mo nya kokoduro ka bi kura de eduru ba bi a na areho ye NDC members of parliament they initiate private members bill
NDC for the doors
and it's good now I'm one lead sponsor who ye private members bill I will lead sponsors bia de nipa be 5 6 7 de be lead sponsors St George money lead sponsors
Sam George
about parliament no
Team Fojo Reverend Team Fojo refinidi
what Reverend Team Fojo na
he was everywhere
the debate said enough St George mo a defend bill no both locally and internationally more MPP crowd more leadership a holy Team Fojo mo ne mkrofo na be kan ho whip e gage wo mo say omo withdraw from the private members bill na what parliament at you what parliament
ni ahwe say e fa na NPP the majority caucus
me busa say
okay
me busa say debate and argument no course no na why mu na lead
so
when follow debate your parliament at a point even majority leader how to arrest the bill honorable Alexander Kwamena Afenyomakin how to arrest
how
the
did
bill.
He arrest the bill
It is a more
how did he arrest
say more support to
Charlie maybe say Maninko how did he arrest the bill
we all saw it
when how
debate
how
but we say refer call back so we say enquire another reason so the people are I mean why should this be subject to debate say kwasi LGBT yemfa ni nyina nto nche ye wie ni the processes nyina akwa wie the normal amu ye the hodu ne ade ekwa wie na ye pass a bill no wie no the aka presidential assent
edu president
edu president then the basis abre president inside here president akwa president you transmit president are rejecting is he will receive oh no let's be clear you transmit amana ko no so return it to parliament 2 occasions because in his view obi akọ court
president mo be sign LGBTQ
I mean I can't speak on that what I'm saying is ya mrana wie e de mrana bre tie me ba ya mrana wie e de abra president ono te ho se president ye wie mrano sign president zi obi akọ court intenya de a obi sign mrano the same president ye e-levy no obi akọ court o frese bumfa be no mra na min sign e sign bill no enti saa nipa kuo mienu we du ba bia manyosem na ya ye nhwe ni ye na ye nye a bit candle ye honest na nipa etie no ehu ye integrity NDC NPP LGBT obi anim position ewom sisi ye wie
so quick one
sign sa bill man be ye law e kan ye kan one
okay
enti honorable let me conclude on that
for him stating say may a member of parliament
yeah.
so for that for Niama bi
yeah.
facts records due diligence are important
yeah
so it applies to him also a member of parliament
which aspect
he knows in our standing orders he knows how bills are done
good
the first reading the constitution state and the third final no me raises her point too is when you say that the majority leader then honorable Afenyomakin gagged the bill do consideration state the fun line by line no insect stage
let's forget about the various stages
so stages now it is on record and you can tell me say the bill never got to President
no. He refused to receive.
And you know, the bill never got to him. And you know this matter.
Was President Kufuor willing to sign LGBTQ bill?
Emrani Chrese.
No,
say Parliament pass a bill. I was say you transmitted bill no every President. I was say a transmitted bill ne bill. Yeah, the bill ne brewa. Oh, within 14 days to assent the bill. Oh, assent here. You write your reasons why you won't assent and take it back to Parliament. So enke Drew Ekufuor do hwa. Tio and Kedua. So best sign you on sign. So sign I baba yellow. One sign the reasons for not signing for Metro Abba. But the bill didn't get to him. The bill never got to him.
It is so the issue is President through the then Attorney General received concerns Assembly Court until the court determines the case. Before President able free office, no court not determine on the two cases now. They prevent the president from accepting the bill. President Kufuor no one.
Parliament transmitted it to him.
Not President Kufuor. Was he willing to sign the
bill? The issue of
as for the willingness or willingness,
let's move away from that.
The
bill was transmitted to the president who refused.
Also on record. After Supreme Court rulings,
the bill never went to the president.
No, I'm not talking about after ruling. I'm talking about before the ruling.
No, I'm talking before the ruling. That bill couldn't go to the president because of the court matter. No.
Actually, Speaker of Parliament, why the president cannot accept the bill?
But it had gone to the president. The president refused to accept.
You see, when the way are your politics,
it had gone to the president.
No.
So are you suggesting say bill no transmitting no that parliament? Is that what you are suggesting?
We are talking about now happy birthday and confirm Joseph Blondie, attorney of that 4 Enterprise Limited head office at North Industrial Area. And also happy birthday, my microphone off. Then happy birthday to Madam Mary, General Manager of A2K Enterprise, Ashaman and Ansuwo. You wish you all the best.